everybody? Happy Saturday. It's Saturday, right? Yeah, okay. I'm not crazy. Or at least for that reason, I'm not. Hello, welcome in. Coco, of course, I saw that you got first. Congratulations. And of course, I saw you in here long before with your sibling narrative. Thank you for the lurk, Goose. And hi, sister. Hi, sister. I'm here, but I gotta go get coffee. All right. Silly, yes. Your ridiculous narrative. You like that better? Is that better? Oh, thank you for doing that. I was about to do those. Yep. So how is everybody doing today? Also, this is my sister. Elemental. That was her playing Don't Scream. I will actually be playing it next week, actually, just so you guys know. It'll be my last stream before I'm gone for a while. Also, if you guys don't know, I don't know if I've said it much on stream, but I think I have a little bit. I will be on vacation and gone from like next Friday and until like the next Tuesday or something like that. So I'll be gone for like around 10 days or something. Actually, how many days does it work out to be? Technically 11 days. I know. It'll be a minute. It'll be a while. It's crazy. Does my camera just have to refocus? Yeah, so I won't be back until the 22nd. My last stream will be on the 9th, and then I'll be back on the 22nd, which is crazy, right? That's a little break. Not to mean that nothing will be posted, but so there may be some content for you guys while I'm gone, but yeah, I will be gone for a little bit. Okay, I'm back. What did I miss? Nothing. I'm just talking about how I'm gonna be gone. Also, I feel like I should have fixed my bangs. I thought they looked fine. Now I don't like how they look. Anyways, let me get also Coco shout out. Yeah, that's Coco. He is my mod and a friend. Let me check. Yeah, okay. That's what it is. You are you? You're streaming soon, aren't you, Coco? You're supposed to be playing Don't Scream? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Anyways. Yep, okay. Good luck with that game. I can only pay attention to so much anyway since I'm gonna be playing it too. But I'll leave you a lurk on your channel. But yeah, everybody, that's Coco. He plays a lot of Phasmo and DBD, and like I said, we'll be playing Don't Scream today. I appreciate you joining today. So let me talk about what we're doing today. It's a very, very exciting day I've been waiting for. I have been waiting for this so long, guys. I am going to be playing, I'm going to be playing Fable. Coco, I saw you say but first, and so I paused. But first what? Yeah, that's what I thought. Thank you, Coco, for the chica chica and the 100 biddies. Thank you very much. Have a good time on your stream if you're starting like here in a minute. Okay, I'll show you what's in my bag. What's in my bag? Thank you for the my bag, Coco, as well. The 20 biddies. Oh my gosh. Way to get my energy up. I'm already excited for this game, but like, yes, let's go. Is that it? Just wondering, is that it? Or do I need to pause again before I talk about the game? Let me know. Do you want it to continue? No, it doesn't need to continue. I'll do another small hydrate for you, El. Thank you for the hydrate. It's good cold water. Not like too cold, but like cold. Because for some reason I'm like a little warm and I'm like, what is happening? But yeah, how are you guys doing? How it go? How it be? Thank you again for the my bag, Coco, and the 20 biddies. Oh my gosh. Yeah. King, I'm a boss. Eat 'em. Thank you very much. Thank you guys. Or thank you, Elle, for the 100 biddies and the digita. Out of control. Can't stop me, can't stop me. Whiskey, whiskey, wiki, wiki. This is an emergency. Thank you, sister, for the 10 biddies and the I can't stop me. Gosh, alright, you guys. We don't need to start a hype trade already. You calm down. The stream has hardly started yet. Like Cinderella, Nick, Johnny. Young S turned to you unlucky. What the sup? Vicky G. Range. Stay forever. Oh my gosh. Coco, thank you for the 5 biddies and the Cinderella Nagapone. I didn't realize like how much all the songs that I've chosen are hype me up. Oh my god. Thank you for the you're welcome 100 biddies Texas speech. Oh my gosh, that caught me off guard. Oh my god. Let me bring my music back in. You guys are ridiculous.
Let's get it.
Let's get it! Gotta get the boom boom boom. Gotta get the boom boom boom. Thank you for the 100 biddies to say let's get it. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. You're ridiculous. So yes, let's get it, guys. So this is what we're doing today. We're playing Fable. Fable is a oh shoot, actually I was gonna look it up and I forgot. When did this game come out? Fable came out. Fable, the game, it was an Xbox game originally, like on the original Xbox. And it came out in 2004? Yeah. Oh, it came out the day before my birthday in 2004. And played, and since then my sister and I have played the absolute heck out of the game. Like back then we played the game multiple times, and then they came out with Fable 2 and 3, and we played those multiple times. And they're just like such fun games, and I love the stories. It's so nostalgic. I and then they came out with like a redone version to and put it on Steam. Anyways, like remastered or whatever, they put it on Steam so you could play it on the computer, and I was very excited because I didn't have an Xbox at the time when this happened. It was like when I was in college and everything, and I was like, oh, I have a laptop, surely I can run this game, and it ran actually pretty well on my laptop. Fable is oh shoot, got it, yeah, that's right. I feel like I just made my face red from sneezing just then. Coco, you are 25% cursed. And not haunted. Man! Since that's what you would like, you are struggling today. I'm only 11% cursed. But I'm haunted. The ghosts of all of the games of Fable that I've played before. Thank you for the holy water for my sneezing. I wish it helped. So, let me tell you kind of what Fable is, okay? Fable takes place in a world, I guess, called Albion. And there's like a bunch of cities and everything, and it kind of is like medieval times, and it definitely gives you like European vibes. I can't really remember exactly like what country in Europe, but like, you know, that's the vibes. And as you go to like Fable 2 and 3, like you see different eras. Like in Fable 2, well, this says it's kind of a reflection of the Age of Enlightenment. And in Fable 3, it's definitely the Industrial Revolution. Like I remember that one like very clearly, yeah. But they all kind of have a story that they continue, but like you're different characters. But it's so fun, it's so cool, and I love the game. I've loved it for a long, long time. Oh, yeah. So that was all like mid 2000s and into the early 2010s when all of those came out. And then in 2012, yeah, they decided to come out with a spin-off game called Fable the Journey. That was for like Connect on the Xbox or something like that. Yeah. And it sucked. It was not interesting. It was not fun. You played like, I think it was like first person, and you had to use like, it was Connect, so like, you know, it was kind of like using your actual hands and stuff to like do things in the game. They have accents in the game? Yes, they do. I am giving a history lesson. Yes. Gotcha. She distracted you? Okay. I'm catching up, sorry. Not haunted and hardly cursed. Wow. I'm the only one that's even haunted. No one's cursed, really. Not bad, not bad. And yes, not the Connect. Yeah. Yeah, it was not great. um, and then they did a remake of the game, like I said, put it on Steam, called Fable Anniversary. That's what we're playing today. It's the same game as the original. It's literally the same. But, that's just the name for it. And then it says in May 2016, the original developers launched a Kickstarter campaign for Fable Fortune, a free-to-play collectible card game. Oh, it's a card game. That's what. And anyways, it has been confirmed in the most recent Xbox you know, like showcase thing, whatever it's called for Xbox, that there is a Fable 4 in the making. And it's obviously a sure thing because like it was in the showcase, right? So I don't know. I told you this. You know this, Elle. You know this. I know I told you, or at least I told our brother. Okay, yeah. I was like, I had to, like, as soon as I heard about it, I had to have texted both of you. Yes, there's a Fable 4 in the making. I will be playing it. It's a little like are they like it's not this I don't think it's the same developers is the only thing. Because I don't think Lionhead, which was the original developers, exists anymore. Thank you for that clip, Coco. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, the freaking Twitch clip names are so funny. Like the in the URLs. Hedonistic tender yam. What? That's so funny. I always love looking at this. But anyways, so they're not like Lionhead. I don't know if they have any of the original developers. I should probably look into it because I need to get my expectations right. But nonetheless, if they stay true to the original design of the game, it's gonna be freaking awesome! And I hope there's like so many little Easter eggs because since the story's connected in the first, second, and third game, like there of course there's Easter eggs. Like they're the heroes in the previous games are talked about, um, include and like the villains and everything. So, and in each new game, you know, so it's Fable. So of course, yeah, very very it's we're passionate about it. That's what it means. That's what it means by it's Fable. Yes, it's something near and dear to us. Someone order me a hedonistic tender yam. I gotta know what that. God. Okay. Anyways, I don't have the game pulled up yet because I did this weird thing where last time when I started it before, so I could make sure that like it came up right and everything for stream. Um, if I clicked off of it for too long, like if I had it up this whole time while I was talking, I was afraid it would do what it did last time when I was, like I said, testing it out for stream, where it kind of like didn't want to bring up the picture again. Like I could hear the sound, but I couldn't see anything. So I was like, I don't want that to happen. So we'll just start it. A surprise update, an update for a decades old game. Yeah, that's the crazy thing. Well, I guess it's been 11 years since the last one came out. So it is pretty exciting. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna look up Fable 4. Fable! It's not called Fable 4, I guess they're just calling it Fable. But it says Fable 4 promises to show Albion in a whole new light. I wonder what time, like what era this takes place in. Oh, British humor. Okay, so it's like kind of British style or Britain inspired like setting. So the studio, Playground Games is making it. That definitely sounds familiar. The trailer for the game looked awesome. Yeah, okay, headphone warning. At the very least, I shouldn't be surprised by anything that happens because I've played this game many times. But you never know. The studio, so Playground Games is who's making this. Original was Lionhead. It says the studio might be best known for developing the Forza Horizon series. But Playground looks primed to retain the super silly spirit that edified the original Lionhead series, which is like so true. Like there's so many stupid things that are just fun and dumb about the game. It'll just be excitement streaming, yeah, or screaming, yeah. I shouldn't. Okay, so it's Playground. That's what it is. It kind of looks like we're going back into the medieval, like, no, I don't know. Anyways, I don't need to get too into it because I'm gonna just lose my mind. I don't get into like researching games like that much for a lot of them, but this is one that I will be like, what's the new news on it? I need to know. Okay. Anyways, like I said, we need to get into the actual game. Thank you everybody for being here. I'm very excited about playing this on stream. The new news, yes, the news, yes. Thank you everybody for the 290 followers. We're almost at 300, which is like Crazy. So, I appreciate it, and let's go. My nose is kind of stuffy now. You guys need to see this iconic opening. Where is it? Why isn't it showing? You suck, dude. That was annoying. It literally, like, didn't... Like, I had to select a new game capture, even though I had this one selected. Oh, I need to turn off my music. Don't facepalm! It's not my fault. Also, I'm not gonna have chat on stream because I want to showcase. Cujo! Hello, Cujo. Also, if I click off the game, it will go silent. So, you know, it is what it is. It do be what it do be. Cujo, how are you? Yes, guys, please go check out Cujo Hub. Cujo will be, Cujo, along with the Invisible Win, one of my friends and mods as well, will be, doing a, or are raising money for Feeding America through near the end of November. I can't remember the exact day, but so please go check out their streams and help them raise money. Please support them through Thanksgiving. Oh, you don't care for us, I see. What do you mean? What on earth, Cujo? Don't claim things that aren't true. I need more water. I'm struggling with my allergies today. Also, I need to see the desktop audio. Okay. Let me know if the audio is good or not. And let's freaking go! Sounds good? Okay, great. This is my last game. By the way, my nickname in the game is Reaper, but that's because, like, you don't get to choose an actual name. You just get to choose between, like, the list. And that was one I never choose before, so. Anyways, we are starting a new game. We are a new hero. Not Chicken Chaser! Don't call me Chicken Chaser. How do I do this? Oh, okay. That was difficult. Choose difficulty. Chicken. Hello. Heroic. Test. True test for real heroes, not only our resurrection files no longer in the game. I'm not doing that. It's like the options are play the game like normal, or if you die, you're dead forever. Like, what the hell? Again, coming from person who read a good guy's guide to murder. Yeah. And soon I will be reading one of the spin-offs. No in between. I know. Like, what the? All right, let's go. Go. Time to go. Oakvale. Nothing says hard, drunken, and mystical like a tattoo. I didn't get to read most of that. Of course, it's called Killjoy. Yeah. Yeah.
Deep in the forest of Albion lay the small town of Oakvale, unchanged by time and untouched by the sword.
What sword?
Here lived a boy and his family, a boy dreaming of greatness, of one day being a hero. Sometimes he imagined himself as a noble knight or a powerful...
I'm blocking the freaking words, bruh. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me fix that because I don't want to be blocking the subtitles. Name only gives you like titles, not names. Yeah. Okay.
Wizard.
Continuing.
And other times he
Come on, wake up.
I skipped a little bit on accident.
Daydreaming again, were you? Just like your mother. Mind always
That was
wandering.
literally pretty much it,
Well,
though.
let it wander off to find your sister, will you? She's out playing by the Barrowfields gate. Remember, you haven't given her a birthday present yet. Don't tell me you forgot to get her one. Well, I'm not bailing you out this time, son. I tell you what, I'll give you a gold piece
His
for each
body
good
does
deed
not
you do
look
around
proportional.
Oakvale. That should be enough to buy her a present. Now, get moving and stay out of trouble.
And some big hands you got there. You must be a very handy person. Yeah. So, yeah, he is wearing like gloves that are definitely too big for him. When I did a poll in Discord, if you guys don't know, for you guys to vote, just because I was curious, would you like to see me play this as a hero or as a villain, essentially? And I'm gonna play hero because I want you guys to see like the story as it like really technically gets told in the second and third games, like because you're like a good hero, not evil. So yeah, we're gonna do that. But yeah, but you guys did. There were 4 votes for good and 5 votes for bad. Allie never entertains Coco's jokes. No. Talk to the people marked on your map with the green dot. They have something interesting to say. And hit tab to talk. Okay, so what we're doing is our dad just told us it's our sister's birthday and we don't have a present for her. So he tells us to go buy her one. But we don't have money and he's not gonna give us any, so we have to go make money by doing good deeds. That's what we're doing. What's up?
I've lost Rosie. I left her and I can't remember where.
It's showing 4 for you. Your emotes on Discord are so broken for you, sister. The only time I placed Allie will be doing good deeds. But it will be recorded, so I have proof.
Her stuffing needs changing today and I can't find her. Please help. She's a lovely little furry bear with a blue patch on her back.
Alright.
Please
Oh, I didn't mean to talk to you. I can't control any of that. Oh. I don't know what any of that means. Cool. Alright. Thank you for the 5 biddies and lurking. Yeah. Have a good time on your stream, Coco. Oh god, what is this? Oh god. Yay. No. That feels like not good. That does not help me. Oh. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Shoot. There's nothing for like a mouse sensitivity. Oh, okay, cool. We'll just get used to it, I guess. What's up?
Hello, lad. I'm a trader. I wander the world buying and selling wares, especially to fine folk like your good self.
I'm a trader.
Some little girl I saw said you have a sister, and it's her birthday.
A trader.
And it seems you haven't got her a present yet.
Why are they all frozen in the background? Oh my god.
It just so happens that I have a rather nice box of sweets here. Guaranteed to put a smile on any sister's face for only 3 gold pieces.
3 gold, that's all we need. Time pause, yeah. We're very powerful. I don't have money for that.
Maybe late. Remember?
Okay, so you guys see the map in the top right corner?
Get
That's
your miscellaneous items
all the green
here.
dots are people that we can talk to. What can I-
Honestly, where's that filthy layabout husband of mine?
I know where he is.
With some woman, I don't doubt. I run his house, bring up his children, and what do
do
I get in return? Nothing.
I hear you.
If you find him, let me know, won't you?
I sure as hell will. Let's go get him right now.
Honestly, where's that good-for-nothing husband?
We're gonna go get him right now, guys. I know where he's at.
Many lovely things.
I know what's going on.
Come here, my little pumpkin.
Caught red-handed.
What? I was just, I've never even met this woman. Who is she? Look, Sonny, keep your mouth shut about this, right?
Nor, I didn't think I will be doing that.
My wife's at home with our little ones, and I'm supposed to be working.
So you're not making money and you're cheating on her?
But a man should be entitled to do what he likes,
Like what the
don't you
hell?
think?
Nor.
Tell you what, if you keep this little secret, I'll give you a gold piece.
Will you take his bribe and commit a bad deed? No.
Just don't tell my wife. I can't let her find out about this.
Bye. I'm gonna let your wife eliminate you. Oh, also, this is why I'm called Chicken Chaser when the game starts. Oh, wait. I can't do it! I can't do it, sister! It won't let me yet. Dang it, I'm trying to wreak havoc.
Stock available.
Stop available.
Where's that filthy layabout husband of mine?
Let me tell you the down low, girlie.
With some woman, I run his house. If you find...
Tell the woman about her cheating husband. Yes.
You have? Right. I'm gonna turn him into Balverine food.
Balverines are terrifying.
Thank you, young sir, for telling me.
You're more than welcome. You have performed your first good deed. Remember to talk to your father to receive your reward. Blah. Can't talk.
Wait
Alright, so
till
that's
I
one.
get my hands
Oh,
on
right!
that
We need to
pen.
follow her! We need to follow her so you guys can see it.
Takes after his father.
Run faster, child! We need to see this.
Yo, filthy
Oh, she
swine!
running!
I ought to
She
chop
running!
them right off.
We weren't doing anything, honest.
Don't insult me anymore! My mother was right about you!
You know I only have eyes for you, my sweet.
Well, if you think I'm going to cook and clean for you while you're out having a good time with your
Idiot.
strumpet,
Get
you've got
wrecked,
another
idiot.
thing coming!
We weren't doing anything, honest.
Get him, girl, get him.
Who is she
Get him,
anyway?
Get him.
Some tart from
Get
the
him,
village?
get him. I
Younger
got your
than
back.
me, is she? You filthy swine! I ought to...
Come back to gloat, have ya?
Mhm.
You've got some nerve.
I do, thank you. I
Don't
got nerve.
insult me anymore! My mother
Okay,
was
that
right
was fun.
about you!
She really needs to tear into him more than that. Alright. Alrighty, let's go on to the next thing, shall
His
we?
mother will be pleased with his behavior.
They're talking about me. Chickens! No, those aren't chickens, those are birds.
Oh, thank goodness. Listen, lad, could you do me a favour?
NPCs in Fable be like... Anyways. Can I do you a
I've got to,
favor?
you know, answer a call of nature. Oh, stay here and watch this stock for me. There's a good lad. Just
Alright.
stand between those 2 stacks and don't move.
Can do, buckaroo.
I'll put a good word in for you when I get back.
Alright.
Right, won't be long.
The new Fable game is gonna be like so pretty.
My cousin says that the barrels in these warehouses might have stuff in them.
Shut up.
My cousin says that the barrels in these warehouses might have stuff in them. Looks.
I don't care about what stuff's in the barrels, but I want you to stuff it. Shut up.
Quick! While he's away! Smash his barrels up and see what's inside!
What barrels are you talking about? There are crates.
Unless you're too scared. Unless you're just a big blubbing girl. Come on! Let's go and break stuff.
If I
You're
could
just gonna
move,
stand there like a lemon?
it'd be fine. I think
But being good is so boring.
I can't remember if I don't get it if I
prefer
move
to
at
be
all.
smashing things?
I really want to punch this kid though.
Come
Which
on!
is fine,
There's
because I am
still
also a
time
kid.
before he gets back. Oh, you're no fun at all.
Also, you'll see him run in on the side over there as the timer goes down.
Fine. Have your stupid good deed then.
Where is he? Come running, bruh. There he is. He coming in hot. We did a good deed.
Excellent, thanks, lad. You've done me a big favour.
You should watch out for this little brat right here.
I'll let your dad know what a splendid watchman you made.
All right. Chickens! Oh, he did. Yes! Guys, watch. This is why they call me Chicken Chaser. Oh, the other chicken got in the way. Don't ask why, but it's a thing you can do in this game. This is what it is. Alright. Alright, alright. What's happening over here?
Little
Oh.
idiots.
Oh, hell!
What do
Let's
you want? I'm
frickin'
just dealing
go.
with this brat. He was irritating me, playing with my sister and her stupid teddy bear.
Oh, his sister is Rosie, the little girl with
No,
the
he won't give it to
bear.
me, just because I said I'd rip its stupid head off. I told him if he doesn't do what I say, I'm gonna make his life a misery.
Take him out. Oh, come on. Okay, first I gotta talk to this
Get
kid.
him off me! Please help! He goes around the town beating up anyone smaller than him.
I've heard the call.
But you look strong. I bet you could scare him off for good.
You darn tootin'. This will be the last time he bullies anybody. I promise. You will only be able to hit characters when they have a red highlight. To attack a non-hostile character, you must lock onto them by pressing space and then whack him. Alright. Get the hell out of my town! Don't ever look at him again!
I'm sorry, I'll leave him alone.
Bye, bye,
Just
bye.
please don't hit me again.
Thank you. You stopped him
Ah.
good. Thank you. Here,
It feels
I'll
so
let
satisfying.
you look after Rosie. She'll be
Ba, ba,
safe
ba.
with you.
So we got the little girl's toy, Rosie. A child's toy, almost disgustingly cute. Okay, so the thing, if they're coming out with the Fable 4, I need them to redo the other games too. Either that, or I'm gonna have to play them on a freaking capture card off of my Xbox. Which is fine, but I haven't done that yet with the Xbox. Oh, nope, I'm not trying to fight you. We're not gonna go that way. Not yet. Alright. Let's go get the little girl, Rosie, back. Hello.
You found Rosie. Thank you so much.
Her head's so weirdly shaped.
Come on, Rosie. Let's change your stuffing.
Alright. We've done all the good deeds. In fact, we did 4? When did we do 4? We told on the lady's husband. We guarded the crates. Oh, then we kicked that kid's face in and we gave the teddy bear back. That's right, okay. I guess there are 4 things I did. Whoa, he appeared out of nowhere. I'm not gonna talk to him yet. Let's look at our family home. Why are we ready to fight everybody? Who are we fighting? Oh! You found your sister's diary. Oh. Harvest, day 15. Mother is away again. She never tells us where. I think father is a little sad when she goes. Harvest, day 18. I had a nightmare again last night. There's a big room, and right in the middle of it, there's a big whooshing light that feels like it's going to suck me in. I still couldn't see what was in the middle of it. I don't think I ever want to. Harvest, day 19. I had another dream. I was opening birthday presents, and I was so happy. Then something happened, and it was so horrible it woke me up. I think that part was only a dream, though. Harvest Day 21. It's my birthday today. I bet my brother forgets again, but at least mother will be back. I got up early to look out over the sea, and now I'm going to play in the top fields, which tells us where she is. I know, but she's one of the green dots on the map, so like it's not hard to find her. But anyways, that was our sister's diary, talking about her dreams and stuff. Very much not important, right? Yeah. Let's talk to our dad and get money.
Lad. Here's your reward for those good deeds.
That sounded like freaking writing in the book in Phasmo. The sound effect. Does it still have that? And when you write in the journal? Anyways.
Well, I think you may have enough there, son.
Let's go buy our sister a gift for her birthday, and then we go bring it to her. Chicken, chicken! Can't wait till I can kick them even farther. But I'm just
Many
a lass
lovely
right now.
things.
I'm not a lass, my bad. Or in the game, I mean, obviously. Look, there's a beach. Where the hell did it go? Genie chicken.
Ooh, you're lucky I've still got these sweets. Quickly, give me...
Yes, yes, take your money.
Young sir, they are yours. Wish your sister a happy birthday from me now, won't you?
Your sister. Happy birthday, sister. Don't run. It's bad to run.
What's this nonsense? What's your nonsense?
They think I'm funny.
Such a little.
What the blazes do you think you're doing? I'm a town guard, unless you want to spend a night in the back. Now, get out of my...
I don't get in trouble for it as a child, so had to do one good kick. Alright, let's go find our sister. Sister! Sister Teresa. It's normally Mother Teresa, right? But it's Sister Teresa in this case. Sister!
Hello, little brother. I hope you haven't forgotten what day it is, like you did last year.
Nope.
I'm sorry if I woke you up last night. It was another of those dreams. I was standing in this field when something happened, but I can't remember what. Never mind that, though. I'm still waiting for my present.
Give chocolates to your sister? Yes.
I knew you were going to bring me chocolates. It's just like my dream. Come on, let's go home. Mother will be back for my party any minute now.
Mom! Why are you constantly walking around ready to fight something? Boop.
Wait, there's something wrong.
Bandits!
It's really happening. They're here. You've got to hide.
Yeah, they didn't see me standing in the middle right there at all.
Got one!
They don't see me there at all. Not even a little bit. They didn't see me.
Evil had come to Oakvale. Bandits wielding torches and steel, slaying and burning all in their path. Blood-red flames lit the night as the villagers screamed and begged for mercy, and soon their bodies filled the streets. Then the raiders, reached the last house where the boy and his family lived. It was them they had slaughtered so many to find.
They were looking for our family.
The father fought to protect his kin, but he was no warrior and fell mortally wounded.
So dramatic.
The bandits ripped the house apart, but could not find the boy. Through torture and threats, his mother and sister remained silent, and their furious attackers took them both. From the nearby woods, the boy watched as all he knew was taken away. His whole life was crushed to ashes. He was alone.
So very blurry. So yeah, they absolutely destroyed my whole village, and oh, I can't go that way. That's right. They destroyed my village and killed everybody. And they were looking for me for some reason. Now I'm going back to my house right now.
We must leave. It's not safe here. They're all dead. You don't want to join them, do you? Then give me your hand.
Give me your hand. Magic! That guy couldn't have come like sooner to help out, you know? So let me do something really quick, because I said I'd be lurking on Coco's channel. So let me do that. Oh, it seems. Okay.
I thought you'd have a stronger stomach than that. Come on. Save your energy, boy. It's not me you want to fight. You might not realize it, but I just saved your life. There's nothing left for you in Oakvale. And if you'd stayed, you'd be as dead as the rest of them. Come with me. My name is Maze, and I'm the head of the Guild of Heroes. You must have heard of it. You'll find nowhere safer in all of Albion, nor a better place to call your home. And if it's vengeance you want, you'll need the training only we can offer. Here we are. I'll introduce you to the Guildmaster. He'll be your guide from now on.
The Guildmaster. So now we are being taken to the Heroes Guild by Maze, who came and saved us.
I have a new student for you. Put him in the dorm upstairs with the girl.
You don't look much like hero material
Whisper.
to me, but Maze knows what he's doing, I suppose. Well, follow me then.
Follow. What are you doing?
You'll be sharing this room with Whisper, one of our brightest young pupils.
Whisper.
She's playing in the woods right now, but you'll meet her in the morning. For now, you should get some sleep. Your training starts tomorrow.
Yeah, he just lost his whole family and his entire life, but yeah, let's... At least he's somewhere safe now. That's pretty.
It's time to wake up.
Whisper!
You must be my roommate. Shorter than I expected. My name's Whisper. I've been here for a month. Had the room to myself till now, too. but that's all right. You know you talk in your sleep. Sounded like a bad nightmare. Happens to a lot the first week. Some don't even last that long. You won't either if you don't get moving. The Guildmaster is waiting for us in the map room. You don't want to be late on your first day. Follow me.
There's a schedule. Oh no. Why am I yawning?
Looks like the Guildmaster got tired of waiting for you. He's probably at the training grounds across the river. Let's go!
Why? If I stand still, I get into fight stance. Immediately. Like, what the heck?
This is the guild shop. When you're older, you can buy stuff here.
Yep. Thank you.
I like this part of the guild. The cloisters are so quiet. This grave is really old. I wonder who's in there. I'm going to be buried here when I die.
It doesn't say
if I
who's
don't
in
make
the
it home
grave.
first.
I did it in 50 seconds. No one has beaten that.
Yeah, well, if it wasn't for my injured leg, I'd beat that time.
No chance. I'm the fastest guild apprentice by miles.
You're the most arrogant,
No.
that's for sure.
They're talking, but you can talk to them and do a race, but there's really not a point because I'm too small and too, like, I'm not fast enough at this point. What's over there? There's a green dot over there. What is it? It's in the tavern. Yellow.
Listen, I have to make an apple pie for the Guildmaster at the end of the week. But I can't find any more red apples. I only need another 4. If you find enough, can you bring them back here? I'll reward you.
Yeah. Let's go find apples. Side quest. Side quest. You know, the movement would be fine if it weren't for the fact that when I turn, it like corrects the screen. You see that? Like, cooking apple. We found one. It's so weird to look at. Oh, look, guys. So this is the chest in the game. This is not a normal one. This is one that requires silver keys. The people of Albion like nothing more than hiding their secrets or treasures inside wooden chests. You will also find special silver key chests around the world. To open one, you need to find the correct number of silver keys. The keys are stackable, as in, like, when you use them, they don't go away. Fun notes. Alright. That's 3. Oh, Whisper's still following me. She's like, what are we doing?
This is where heroes focus their will powers.
I don't see any apples in here. I love the background music and stuff for these games. Oh, there's another apple. Thank you. Yeah, it's relaxing. Yeah, it's just real, like it's great ambiance. Like, and really sets the mood
This
for
is the entrance
game.
to the guild woods. I heard giant beetles live there.
You heard? You haven't. I thought you played in the woods.
This is where the archers train. I prefer using my staff.
You hear that? She uses her staff to fight. She doesn't even do it herself. She uses the hired staff. That's crazy. How does she even have money to hire people?
Have you found those apples for me?
That was a
Thanks.
joke.
Thank you so much. The Guildmaster will get his pie. Here, have this.
You really need an apple pie. Like, Appleberry pie! And we have extra, apples. Fishing through containers is a good way to find handy items. Be careful if you're planning on stealing from a house. Nothing interesting. Nothing interesting. Nothing interesting! Bro, what the heck? Also, that's not a tavern, which is what I called it. I don't really know what it is. There's just a bunch of pallets everywhere. Also, it's getting cold in my room. So let's go meet the Guildmaster and fight for the first time. We're gonna start learning how to be a
Finally
hero.
prized yourself from your pillow, I
My
see.
Hero Academia!
Oh, come on then. Let's see what you're capable of. Are you ready?
I had to turn my fan off. I had it on earlier because I wanted some...
Come on, lad.
Well, because I was kind of warm, but...
All right, lad.
Wanted
It's
some
time
air
to see
moving.
if you've any
That's cool.
potential.
Get
Get in the ring. Now then, I want you to hit that dummy as hard as you can. Just keep going till I tell you to stop.
Alright. One moment. Un momento, por favor. I've done what I said I did. Let's go. Space target, and yeah. Alright.
Not making much of an impact there, are you? Here, try with this.
A stick! We equipped, and now let's go. Wait. Get him! Get him! I can't wait to attack people with a stick.
Ah, now that's more like it. When you destroy an enemy like
Experience
this
points.
dummy, it drops an experience orb.
Yes!
These orbs contain the knowledge gained from killing the creature.
I really want to
It's
play
very
Fable 2 and
important that
3.
you collect these orbs, or you won't learn anything. Now pick it up.
You can pick up the experience orbs by walking over them, or press and hold left shift to grab them towards you. Let's do that.
Well done, lad. Now then, tomorrow we'll... That's
We
the
got
guild alarm.
one
Sounds
whole
like there might be
experience
something
orb.
loose in the woods. This is a good opportunity to test your spirit. I'll wait for you at the guild woods entrance while you deal with the problem. Once you're done, we can talk about starting your training.
There's freaking wolves in there, and we just have like no ability to kill them with a freaking stick. That'd be hilarious, right? Let's see. We get 20 gold, 30 renown. Killing beetles infesting the guild woods. Let's get it. Gotta get to that. Betos. By the way, you can see the red dots on the map in the top right. It's the bad guys. Huh? My gosh. Alright. Easy enough, right? Pretty simple. We got 20 gold, 4 renown, 8 experience. I guess we killed 8 of them. Alright. It's a very easy first quest. And unfortunately we cannot fish. Very unfortunate. Anyways, let's go!
Good work, lad. Those beetles can be a damn nuisance. Here, I think you've earned yourself some pocket money for that. If you want more gold, I'm sure the servants could use your help with something.
I did that
Or
already.
you can get an early night.
No, I do
Come
not
and
wish
see
to-
me when you're ready.
So,
You look tired after killing those beetles.
he said... Oh, there's no other quest for me to do right now. He said that if I wanted to earn extra gold, I could do, like, I could help out any of, like, the workers here. But I already did one, and the only other people I can talk to are the people that do the race thing, so... Which I can't win yet. So, I guess... Instead, we're gonna
You look
train and
tired
lose
after
our,
killing
our
those beetles.
childhood
Your
and stuff.
training is about to begin. But you have many hard years of tasks and preparations beforehand.
Do you wish to leave your childhood behind and begin apprentice training? Yes.
The guild was now the boy's life. The memory of the Oakvale flames still scorched his mind, but soon he had no thought other than training, and he became stronger and more agile with every passing year. His days were filled with grueling exercises, the nights with study in the library. Finally, he was ready to become a guild apprentice, just as Maze had foreseen. The real training was about to begin.
So dramatic sounding.
Get out of bed, lazy bones. We were supposed to meet the guildmaster on the other side of the river, but that was an hour ago. We better get going. Race you there.
What the left or right mouse button is to run? The hell is that? That was weird as heck. We're running! Thank you! Thank you, King of Guam. Thank you so much for the lurk. I hope you get some good cards. Good luck to you.
Late again.
I'm not lit.
You can put that old stick away.
Anyways, can you tell
We'll
that we're
begin
older
training with real weapons now. Get
You
used
changed
to the
key
weight
bindings,
of this
probably?
sword,
Probably.
and let's see if you can hit Whisper with it.
I get to hit Whisper. Good, because she's my rival. So let's go. Iron longsword.
Come on then. Let's see what you've got, farm boy. Oh, lucky shot.
Come on, lad. Hit her.
How did that get through?
There we go. Okay. So let right mouse click is to use the special attack.
Now pay attention. What I'm about to teach you could well save your life one day. The life of a hero is a dangerous one, and you must learn to block your enemy's attacks if you expect to live long.
Not true.
Whisper will try to hit you, but you can block her attacks with your sword. Not all blows can be blocked, but you should be able to handle anything Whisper can throw at you.
Dang. Middle mouse button. He wants me to block with middle mouse button. What the actual hell? Come on.
Damn it! How did you stop that?
Apparently that's also how I roll.
You can't stop me every time.
Okay. I can too, come on. That seems like an awful button for blocking. Yeah, you're telling me.
I'll hit you next
it's
time.
Literally awful. Oh. Yeah, I'll have to see what buttons I have
I'll hit you next time.
available that like aren't already used for something else.
Well done. Now let's see if you can
That is
combine
not
attack
easy to use,
and
that.
defense. Ah, hello, Thunder. Come to check on your sister's progress, have you?
Oh shoot, sorry, I just completely passed that. But Thunder is a like known hero, and so he comes in to check on his sister, and he has high expectations for her because, like I said, he's a current hero and he's doing pretty well. He's pretty renowned. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Middle mouse button. What else can we use? I really don't know if there's even a good option. Cause like shift or spacebar, tab, all of those are being used for something. Yeah, I don't really think there's a... Oh, come on. This is what I usually do instead of blocking anyway, so... Come on, hit.
Wait! How did you stop that?
Oh, hell. Okay.
That's all wrong, Whisper. You
That was
need
very
to practice
difficult,
more.
like, handling.
Shame you couldn't see me fight in the arena. You might have learned a thing or two. Keep training if you want to go there yourself one day.
I could have beaten him if you hadn't stopped us.
We have few enough heroes as it is, without the two of you tearing each other apart in training. Speaking of which, meet me as I make my way to the archery range, when you're ready to continue your lessons.
Oh, and about your melee performance?
Very good, lad. Keep fighting like that and you'll go far.
Whisper's brother is very hard on her. Continue.
Then meet me by the archery range to continue your training.
Let's go. We can do more melee training later. I'm here.
Are you ready for your archery training?
Yeah. Another way to interact with people is to use expressions. Why is that important right now?
Let's continue our training with the bow.
Archery! Not my strong suit, but I'm having to learn it anyways. Because of so many games I've played in the last year, I've had to, like, shoot or use a bow.
To begin with, see if you can hit the 3 stationary targets.
Roger.
And put some effort into it. The longer you pull back your bowstring, the more damage you will cause. But make sure you stay within the circle.
E. And of course lock on and fire. Yeah. Okay. E.
Now lock onto the target.
I don't need to, but that's fine. There's not really
Well
any...
done! You hit all the targets.
There is an aiming mechanism.
Unfortunately, most foes don't stand still. So let's see how you fare against moving targets.
Alright.
You have a minute to score as many points as you can. The front target is worth 1 point, the middle one is worth 3, and the one at the back will score you 9 points. And remember, the longer you pull back your bowstring, the more damage the shot will cause. More damage means more points, but you have to balance power, firing rate, and accuracy. Let's see what you can do.
Switch to first person view, press right mouse button while okay. Oh.
Good shooting.
How do I...
Get your bow out.
Really fast. Up.
Marvelous. Excellent hit. Keep them coming. Not bad, but try firing more powerful shots. Next, we will learn about the ways of the will.
Speak to me when you're ready to continue with your training.
I love
I'll be
fighting
heading
with
to the
will.
island by the waterfalls.
How do I move target? Oh. I just opened up my menu
Archery
instead.
grading! Any apprentices for archery grading?
Oh, we can do that now?
Any
Okay,
apprentices
cool.
want to practice melee combat? Right.
Yes, let's
this.
go.
Right.
Yes.
Let's get Whisper and you in. I have a special. All right, you can stop
She hit
now.
me twice, so I probably
Almost
didn't-
perfect.
Yeah.
That's an A.
I gotta get an A+.
I've got a nice sword for you.
He's gotta
If
give me
you-
a better
right.
sword.
Right. I have a.
How did that get through?
Ah, man.
All
Hit me
right,
once.
you can stop now. That was very
Okay.
impressive.
That was enough.
Whisper should be
To get an A+.
ashamed. A plus.
Give me the
That
sword!
grade means I can award you a new weapon.
Yay! An iron katana. Hell yeah. Katana and
You
cleavers
really
are
showed
my
Whisper.
favorite in this game.
Archery grading. Any
I'm
apprentice?
not
Now the
good at
guildmasters
archery.
asked me. And
But
if you get
it's
an A
whatever.
plus, you've got one.
What? What?
Lovely.
Why? I'm like literally locked on. Why is it being difficult? Why? Why is it being this difficult for me?
Excellent power.
I don't know how much I need to have. How many points I need to have.
Wow, You set a new high score.
Oh, sick.
Wow, that's excellent.
I'll give
I
you
can
an
give you an
A.
A. Remember, you can still come back and try and get that A+.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Now, the Guildmaster's asked me to... And if you get an A, you've got 1 minute. Ooh, that almost went straight through.
Why does it not work? Oh. I don't remember being this difficult to frickin' use a bow.
Ooh, that almost went straight through.
Dang it.
Wow, that's excellent.
No!
I can give you an A.
No, sir.
Remember, come
Require-
back and try and get that A+.
I require
Now the-
a plus so I can get the better.
And if you get,
thing.
you've got one.
The better bow. I require it. I'm just gonna use this every time now. Ah, yeah! Doing poorly. How did that not hit?
Excellent power.
Why is the one in the back like impossible to hit? Oh god.
Ooh, that almost went straight through.
Ah, yeah.
Phew.
Oh, frick.
Wow. You,
Barely got a new
you
high
set a
score.
new high
I did
score.
so poorly.
Wow, that's excellent. I can give you an A. Remember, you can still come back. Now, the Guildmaster. And if you get, you've got.
Shut up. Alright. Whatever. New rule, at least every time we hit something. No missed shots.
Excellent power. Excellent power.
Ah, frick. Ah! Ah, hell. Oh, God.
Whew, that almost went straight through. Wow.
Please tell me that was enough.
You set a new high score. Wow, that's excellent. I can give you an A. Remember, you can
Alright.
still come back
Yeah,
and try
whatever.
and get that A+.
You really showed Whisper.
I'm just gonna go do the willpower training, learn magic, and then come back and try it again. Ah!
There's
Infuriating.
just the will. It's time to learn about will powers.
You're
We'll
a
begin
wizard,
by
hero.
striking these straw dummies with lightning.
All right, let's see what you've got.
I need more water. Hold left shift, access willpower. Alright. I love
That's it.
using magic.
See
in
how
this
many
game.
you can hit in half a minute.
There's not many games
Only
where I'm
attack
like, yeah, I want to
dummies
be a
that are facing
magician.
the center
but
of the
this one-
island.
Or like a wizard.
You won't
whatever.
get any points for hitting one on the back.
Mage, whatever term.
You'll only waste valuable mana. Using your willpowers depletes your mana, and once used, it takes time to replenish.
Yeah, yeah. Oh. I'm hitting the dummies until they turn around is what's happening.
Wait until your will reserve recharges. Excellent use of magic. Well done.
The lightning power is not my favorite.
Very good, lad. You have learnt the 3 hero disciplines. We can now move on to your final test if you're ready. Or you can spend some more time exploring the guild.
I am not
I
ready.
believe Whisper is about to go into the guild
Final
woods, if you
test.
wish to join her.
Play.
Very well. I'll be in the map.
It's time to play around. Anyways, I believe if we pass the final exam, we get to become, like, apprentices.
You
We've
really
just been,
should
like,
whisper.
to this point, we've been, like, heroes in training.
Remember, you can still come back and try and
Shut
the
up!
Gilmar.
I'm here!
And if you get an 8, you've got.
Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna look it up. How many points? How many points to get A plus in archery test in table? Over 150. I was so freaking close last time. Dude. I got like to 148 or something like that. God. Wait, is it time? Okay, I cannot aim for that back one. It's like not gonna happen. Oh shoot. This ain't gonna be the one, guys.
Excellent power. Ooh, that almost went straight through.
I'm at 160. 63.
Wow, you set a new
Give
high
me the
score.
vote. Give me the vote.
Wow, I ain't never seen any better than that. You got an A+. The guildmaster said if anyone shot brilliant, I could award them this.
Oh, crossbow. I don't remember how I felt about the
Whew,
crossbow.
that was some fancy shooting.
Inventory. Iron katana is better than that longbow. Hello.
Now the guild. Well, I'll be here if you do.
Wait, why isn't it showing up in my inventory? Oh, no, never mind, that's it. About to be real mad. How is it using a crossbow? one thing.
Woo! That was some fancy shooting.
Oh, there's kind of like a lag.
Excellent power.
It's like a lag between when it actually hits the thing.
You really showed whisper.
Alright, last thing before we... Well, not last thing. Second to last. This is our last, like,
Any
Any
little thing
apprentices
test
need
we
will
can do.
training?
Yes, hello. I am apprentice.
You've got 30 seconds once you first cast lightning to hit as many times. There's a special prize for.
I'm pretty sure it's, like, almost impossible to do badly at this one. Come on, mana, keep up.
That's astonishing. Bloody hell. A
Easy.
plus.
That one's easy as
The
hell.
Guildmaster said to reward these items to anyone who excelled at the will test.
Will potion.
Resurrection file.
I still haven't seen anyone perform better than you.
That sounded like he was talking right in my ear. That was terrifying, actually. Alrighty, let's get running. Do I know you? I can't read that. Okay. Oh, right. We're supposed to go hang out with Whisper in the woods.
That was some fancy shooting.
What's up, Holmes? Let's go.
The beetle nest is just at the top of the... Wait. Did you hear that? It's coming from over there. Bandits. If only we could get across that stream. I know. Why don't you use your bow? Or some of that lightning the Guildmaster taught you?
It's interesting.
I'll
she doesn't
heal you
use
if you get hurt.
Range or magic yet. Why is he not shooting at me?
We did it! Did you see the look on their faces? Wait till the Guildmaster hears about this.
Who is we? She's going to take credit. She's going to take credit from us. Come here. Come here, experience points. I can't go over there to get you. Over here. They literally can't even pass that part. Okay. Well. That's a fun emote. Currently the only emotes we can be or can use are gross. Go figure! Unfortunately in this game, it just came to my mind for some reason, but in this game we can only be male, while in the other two games that come after this one, you can choose to be a male or female, either one. Woman, man, you know, you can choose, which is nice. It's really like, it doesn't really like
The journey's
matter
length
much,
is of no consequence.
but
The
it's
Oracle
fun.
must be protected.
How can you be so sure? We might need you here. Who knows what battles we might face?
The signs are too
That guy's
strong to ignore,
terrifying.
and the Northern Wastes have been too long isolated from the Guild. There is much I may learn there.
Well, I hope nobody thinks you're running away from a fight, trying to cheat death again. You know how people talk.
Half of his
Talk
beard
is of
is
no
white,
matter
the other
to
half
me.
is black.
May death close his eyes to you, Maze.
He's that intended, or is that supposed to be like a
What are
shadow?
you waiting for? Come in. That was Scythe. He was a great hero once, back when he had flesh on his bones and blood in his veins. He's just a shell now. What does he know of the choices we have to make, of what it takes to get things done?
I don't know. I don't even know those things. You guys, I went to a hockey game last night. This is exactly what the hockey players look like in the middle of the, like, two of them just decided to fight in the middle of the game. This is exactly what they look like, but they were on skates. It's so funny. Jack of Blades. He is known by no one, and he is known by all. He is said to be as ancient as the old kingdom, and yet he has the strength of 10 heroes. Some say he is not of this world, and has come to us only for the pleasure of death and destruction. Some say he is but a legend, and the mask has covered the faces of dozens over the centuries, all claiming to be the same Jack of Blades. Whatever he is, he prevails in stories and in nightmares, and he is feared by even the guild. History of the guild. A passage at the back of the book has been marked out. The tale of Tavos Tyr, the mythical sword that mythical sword that would one day strike down all evil emerged after the death of Celsius, the most powerful mage ever to train in the guild. Celsius famously died in the closing vortex that threatened to closing a vortex that threatened to engulf the city of Bowerstone. In order to perform the most dangerous of spells, Celsius required an object to focus all his will into one point in space. He took the sword of a fallen guard and endued it with all his power before casting it into the mystical void. The explosion killed Celsius and those around him, and the sword disappeared along with. Why are you going back up? In what world would I need you to turn back, like go back up after that? What existed in the world, hidden somewhere deep in the guild and awaiting a hero worthy of willing formidable death. Blah blah blah. Yeah, okay. Here, I need to do shout outs. For both King of Guam and Zell. There you go. Zell, I've been meaning to talk to you about our the thing that's coming up. You know that we need to look into more. I forgot. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, definitely need to think about it more. Yeah. Alright, nothing else in here of interest. But welcome in! How are you doing, Zell? I miss this game for sure. I know, it's so fun. I've just been enjoying the nostalgia, of course. Having a bunch of fun joking around because, you know, I'm familiar with all the crap that goes on in it. But, yeah, and I'm excited to get further into the game. I love the story. And all the little dumb things that they mix in along the way. This is Albion. I really want to play the other Fable games. Do you wish to leave your teenage years behind, progress into your final training?
I'll be in the map room with...
We are in the map. Bad nightmares last night, doing okay. Oh, you were playing Fortnite with Grace earlier today? Okay, I was looking on her stream. Cool. Nothing interesting. 3 haikus by Miko the Bard. Terrible beauty. Buildings scream in agony. Oak bells burning. Warrior or mage. Choose evil or choose goodness. A beard or mustache. Sword of Albion. Sleeping until the true blood flows red on its blade. Played Fortnite for the first time at 3 months last night. This is the first time it's been experiencing the OG map. Yeah, I did see stuff about that. They were bringing back the OG map. Of course, I've only played Fortnite once, so. I got a tattoo card! Looks kind of like a Superman symbol. So that's a love story. I'm not gonna read that one. It has nothing to do with lore. It's harder to get ammo, but also fewer engagements early on for some reason. Engagements? Do you mean like running into other people? Yeah? Okay. That's interesting. That affects it that way. Finding all the books. Alright. Is there anything else we can do?
I need someone to kill the sparrows nesting around the guild. Well, if you change...
If you kill the sparrows, it's bad. Which I'm trying to be a good hero this time. Innkeeper.
Ready to help?
So, by the way, guys, if you look at the cost right here, what's in parentheses is the normal price, like the base price for something. He is overcharging me.
The tavern? Marvelous, isn't it?
I ain't buying nothing from him. Alright. We can't do anything else right now. I couldn't find shield potions for the life of me. Oh. Before I move on to teenagers, I'm literally gonna just run and go grab more. Be right back. So I lied. I did not run. I did not literally run and go get water. I walked over there. Sorry. Alright. Time to leave our teenage years behind and become a young adult. And finally get to go out into the world, I think. I'm pretty sure after that. Let's go. Final training.
The boy mastered the skills quickly, but there was always more to learn. For years, the guild was his home, his school, and his life. But as time passed, his thoughts returned always to the world outside, the life he had lost, the family that had been torn from him. At last, only the final day of tests remained. Success would mark the end of his training. He would receive the guild seal and be free to forge his own destiny.
Okay.
He would become a hero.
So that's what we gotta do.
Before you graduate, there is
Final
one
exams,
final
guys.
test you must complete.
Hope you've been studying.
Enter the guild woods and go to the log at the top of the hill. The test will be revealed to you there.
Oh,
Good
I
luck.
remember what it is. So, Zell, if you're still here, tell me, can you tell me, did you play...
That was some fancy shooting.
Did you play both good and bad? Like, were you good and
really
evil?
showed Whisper.
Or did you play... I don't know if you played this game more than once in general, but I'm curious. Alright, can we win the race this time?
I'm the fastest! We're discussing whether I'm the fastest apprentice in this guild. I ran to the demon door and back in 50 seconds. Beat that!
50 seconds is not a lot of
Right
time.
then, get to the...
No, you're not.
50 seconds all the way to the demon door and back. It means there's 25 seconds there, 25 seconds back.
I still haven't seen anyone perform better than you.
Oh my god. I'm not gonna make it. out of my way!
Yes, I am. That's amazing.
Yes.
How did you do it? I lost my
Right.
bet.
Nice. All I got was money for that. You know what?
That shows you, didn't it?
I should have gotten more than money. Yeah. All that stress for nothing. Alright, anyways, let's go do our final exam or whatever. Then we can unlock.
That was
more
some fancy
abilities and
shooting.
stuff. Let's go. And we can explore Albion.
I suppose you're wondering how you passed the final test then.
Sure.
It's simple. You must defeat me, using all you've learned in your years of training.
Alright.
We'll begin with your sword. Hit me, if you can.
Hit me with your best shot. I literally did.
Put some anger into it. Come on. Very good. Well done. Come on.
More power. I don't like the crossbow still. I thought it was just because I didn't like it when I was younger. I wasn't good at range stuff, but no, it just sucked. Kill shot.
Excellent. And finally, cast lightning at me. A good strike.
Yeah, absolutely wrecked.
That's enough. Yes, quite impressive for a novice. You will find real battles rather more fatal than this.
Yeah, you didn't even
But you
attack
have
me.
passed your final test. And you're ready to receive your guild seal from the guild master.
Easiest final I've ever taken. Am I right? Too easy.
Well, this is the day, lad.
I remember the first night you came to us. And look at you now.
Maze's faith in you was well placed. Now come along. The graduation ceremony will take place in the Chamber of Fate, the oldest part of the guild.
The Chamber of Fate. I want to eat this.
Let the apprentices approach.
You can't see it. White chocolate fruit. Strawberry.
For many years now, you have worked hard to earn yourselves the title of hero. Today, that apprenticeship ends and you go out into the world to do great deeds. Deeds that will bring you the gratitude of thousands.
I don't like how that smells.
Or strike fear into their hearts. These are dark times. The shadows of Albion are stirring, and strange winds are blowing. Your choices, whether they lead you down the path of good or evil, will change the face of the world. Now, take your guild seals and venture forth as heroes.
Nice. Me and Whisper are now officially allowed to be heroes.
It's time for you to leave us.
Why do I look lame now? What
But
am I
you're still
wearing?
very much part of the guild. On the map table, you will find details of any quests the people of
He just
Albion wish
pointed.
heroes to perform. And you'll need to return often to focus all your experience into new skills.
I need to go ahead and do this.
Only by doing this regularly will you advance as a hero. Step into the light, and I'll show you how to do this.
Hi, welcome in. Welcome in. We are playing some RPG today, you know. An old game that I really love. How are you? Can I increase my health? No. Increase my physique level. I didn't really want to do that. I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing, if I'm being honest.
There is little else for me to teach you, but I will always
Can
be
you hear me
around
better
to
now?
offer you guidance. And your guild seal will allow me to communicate with you at all times.
You will also notice it flashing when you have enough experience to spend.
Okay, shut up.
I have given you a
Stop
basic
talking.
pack of supplies. It'll be enough for a while.
Now there's a whole world for you to explore.
A bit better. Let me check it out, how my audio's coming through. Maybe this is as high as I can turn it up, or without it going into like the yellow, you know? Can move my mic a little bit closer. Oh, thank you for the jump scare. Okay. Let's see. So we completed our guild training and got some good stuff. So how are you today, Smash? Yeah. Once a week I usually play a single player like story game. And this is that.
Check the guild for more quests.
Why is it showing the emote stuff on the oh no, that's normal, never mind. Alright, there's one thing I need to do before I even worry about leaving the guild. And that is, I'm going to go to our very first demon door.
Don't break any laws.
As they're called. Boo! These are demon doors. They hold treasures and secrets. And let's see, equipment. Where's my stuff? I just got a lamp.
Your path is illuminated. Fancy that. You worked it out.
I forgot to show you guys the part where he says, where like you walk up to him and he's all like, I need you to, he says it in some like fancy way, but he's like, I need you to show me the light the light that's still left in this world or something like that. I don't know. He says light. And so you literally walk up to him holding a lamp. That's what you do. They give you riddles, you solve them, or do whatever, and then you go through. Yeah. Alright. And then there's this cool world inside of here. It's not like, there's not like a ton, because usually there's just like a little bit of, there's like a chest usually. Which is this one. Elixir of Life, which is like a health potion. Found a tattoo. Oh, those are both one. Oh, okay. And a book of spells. Berserk, Force Push, and Flame, Lightning, etc. Making friends. Oh, that's fun. Albion is materialistic. Shower people with gifts and they'll love you for it. Alright. And do good deeds. So that was our first demon door. That's the first one that you can open. Real easy. The rest of them are not necessarily as easy. Alright, now it's time for us to leave Albion. Or not Albion. Leave the, guild. True story? Yeah. Some of them even ask you to do bad things. Like, I think there's one that asks you to commit an act of true evil, and there's so many different ways you can make it work. There's so many different ways you can, fulfill that. So, it's kind of tricky. Alright, I need to get more experience. Hello.
Take the wasp.
Oh. Alright, first quest. Oh, Hook Coast. And Witchwood. Oh my god, those places. I miss them. They're so cool. I don't know that these are even, I can't remember if these are quests that we can even take eventually. I think some of them, or if not all of them, are, like little, not Easter eggs. What's the word? I don't know. Maybe that's the best word. Like, of, like, quests that someone is off doing. But there's a snow troll loose in Hook Coast. Villagers are complaining about increasing their taxes, put down their protests by force. Minions have established a dangerous camp in Witchwood. Get rid of it. Anyways, yeah. So that brings into a note that there are quests for good and evil that we can take. Whatever we choose.
How may I help you today?
R and H.
Remember, following the gold markers on your map will lead you to your quest objective.
Oh.
Looking to make a purchase?
Wasps are attacking the picnic area. Follow me.
Follow me. All right, where are we going? There's the backside of Demon Door.
Oh, that sword again. Hey,
1 second. 1 second. Shut up. I'm getting a key. That's our first silver key. All right. Anyways, let's go.
Hurry!
Hurry! What the hell? Why did he say it like that?
Way, please.
Thank you. Our first quest is to fight some giant wasps. Dang.
Thanks for saving me.
They die really easily.
Thank you so much.
The sound effects are like way too loud. Alright, who's next? Oh.
Strike down the wasps. Your bow may prove useful against the wasp queen.
I don't feel like fighting her with my bow.
More wasps have spawned, but they are no match for your weapon. Attack the wasp queen again. Remember,
Oh,
you can
God.
also use your will powers against her. You're making good progress learning combat.
Get her. Get her. Get out of here. All right. Tuh. Not him taking a bow. We got a Wasp Queen's head, 500 gold, a bunch of renown and experience. Very nice. You've become more renowned. The higher your renown level, the more your presence is acknowledged, celebrated, or even feared. Yeah, that's pretty fun when you're playing evil and you're walking around and people are like, "Huh."
You've received a new quest card.
Poor lad. I will take the apple pie. I will take the apple. In that apple. In that apple. Sorry, I stepped on your body. Is that apple? Is that beard. Is that apple? Definitely this health potion. In this apple pie? Yes. Alright. Sundial was built to commemorate Jack's most famous of victories in the Battle of the Bloody Harvest. Jack the Ripper?
That's great.
Nice. I thought that was cool.
Does it take a lot of training to look like?
And that was it, folks. I really like the art style of this game, too. Yeah. It's honestly...
Maze is looking for you. He waits for you in the Barstone Tavern.
Okay, thank you. It's honestly not that bad considering this came out in 2004, you know? Like, it's pretty good.
Look at you! You smell like rotting rat corpses.
Not this kid again! We beat you up once, dude.
He really expects people to give him gold.
No.
Well, if you won't.
Get out of here.
You lousy heroes are all the same.
Ha ha ha! Funniest thing I've seen in years. If you see that wimp again, give him another scare. The little rascal deserves it.
If I see him again, I will 100%. It's the third strike, you know, so... Anyways.
You've earned my thanks, hero. I'm sure you'll make many friends in your travels. Perhaps we'll meet again, hero.
So, Zell, it's been quite a while since I played the second and third ones because, you know, they're not on Steam. This one came out, the remastered Fable original one came out on Steam like somewhere between 2014 and 2018, somewhere around there. And I played it, of course, but I didn't have an Xbox until after college because my brother was the one that had the Xbox, and so I always played them on there. So it's been quite a while since I played them. I haven't played them on my new Xbox at all, but I would like to once again. All right, we're going to the Heroes Guild to get to use our experience points. But like, I just know it's...
This one looks
Oh,
promising.
hello? Edna mode?
Oh, hello.
As a hero?
You must be the kid Maze is always talking about. Can't imagine what he sees in you. Still, I suppose Maze knows best. But where are my manners? I'm Briar Rose. No doubt you've heard of me.
That's a pretty cool name.
No time for autographs, I'm afraid. I have to get to Knothole Glade for an important mission. Speaking of which, if you came for a quest card, all the best ones have gone already. I'm sure the guild can find you something to do, though. I hear the kitchens need cleaning.
What is her problem? It's been close to 15 years at least for me. Yeah, that's not surprising. I really want to go back and see how the second and third games look to me now, because they look better than this game. You know, they were like, it was within a 10-year span that all three of the games came out, or around 10 years. And so, you know, there was a good bit of change, and they had more money, and so I'm very interested in looking back on them and comparing them, because it's been too long. Alright, let's use some experience points, not lose, use. Use more health. We could use more for sure. Speed level. I like that, that's fun. But we could also get more powers. Nah, I want speed for now. And oh, we have more money. Oh, we have enough to do more. Accuracy defines precision. I'm gonna be using my bow, so yeah, I'm good with doing that. I don't have near enough money for this stuff. Alright. That's all we can do for now. Oh, right. Our current objective is to go get Maze. Teleport! Cullis Gates. Yes, let's go back to Lookout Point. And then we're going to Bowerstone, which is the first major city that we go to. Bowerstone is really, really cool. Okay. I was like, is he gonna stop me? I don't remember. Excuse me, can I get in there? I have some business with a friend of mine. Oh, I just remembered. They're gonna take away my weapons.
Oi! You're new here, aren't you? We have some rules round here that you need to know about. Bowerstone is a peaceful town. I'll have to confiscate your weapons for now. There are shops, inns, lots of different people, games, all kinds of things. Why not pay the tavern a visit first? It's the building in front of you, just up the road from here. Oh, and keep an eye open for Lady Grey. Treat her with respect. She is the mayor after all.
Oh, I know.
Have a look around
all about Lady Grey.
And enjoy your stay in Bowerstone.
I can't wait for you guys to see all this stuff about Lady Grey. There's so much to be known. Oh, what's up?
Hello.
What's up? Hello, sir.
You're sure to find something to suit you?
I can get armor from this guy. How much money do I have? 596 gold? That's all I have. Why am I even talking to anybody selling anything? God.
Well done. You got the wasp. I would have helped, but well,
Wait, was he one of the people that was there when I
what can
fought
I
the
interest
wasp?
you in?
Alright. I thought there was a... Oh, yeah, okay, I thought I just saw it. I found another silver key. We gotta be on the lookout for chests and other things too. I just stole a book. The Repentant. I got +5 evil points, but it's okay because it'll even out with all the other good stuff I do. So it's okay if I steal here and there. Let me live my life. It'll be fine. As long as nobody sees me. Windbreaker rulebook. Regular beard. Alright. I'm just getting bad points stocked up. Oh, hi.
Hello.
Hi, sir. Why was he running in there? Not them cheering on Maze. What the hell? Anyways, so, like, you can tell that this is a city in terms of medieval, you know, cities. Because, unfortunately, there is a very obvious wall between the regular folks and then the people with way too much money. You see it? That's, if you can't go in there, you have to be invited. Oh, hi, Ghostius! Hi! Thank you so much for while you do work. I appreciate it. I hope you're having a good day. I hope your work's not too bad. Oh, also, guys, these are essentially like where people live, where a lot of people live. Oh, thank you for the hydrate. I don't know why, but I'm like super thirsty today. Like, I don't know what it is. So thank you.
You don't look like no chicken chaser to me, but then again, I ain't met
I
one.
hope you're having such a good day.
Yes, looking for items of combat.
I don't have money, sir.
You're sure to find something to suit you.
And you don't have a cleaver, do you? You do, but it's obsidian. I want that. I can't tell you guys how badly I want that sword right now. Oh my god. I can't even call it a sword, I guess a melee weapon. Oh, and he has better bows too. I can't wait to get better equipment. Anyways, so you can actually sleep in these. Even heroes need rest. If you ever feel those eyelids getting heavy, find a bed and make yourself comfortable. Night will turn to day and day will turn to night. It doesn't really matter. It's just like whether you want it to be day or not, you know, or need to pass time by. But you have to find the right one that you can sleep in, because it says this bed doesn't belong to you. Are you sure you want to use it? Because I can't remember what happens if you sleep in the bed that's not yours. But this is a bed you can sleep in. No. This one? Yeah, that one. Okay, I knew it was one of these, because this is always the area that I go to if I needed to pass time. Where's the crazy lady? I need to introduce you guys to her. Maybe she's only here at night. I can't remember. She has to be here though, because I have to show you guys. Because my sister, there's this person in this game that my sister, Elle, and I, we freaking quote all the time. Like, if we hear the right word and we're like saying the quotes from this person, and I need to show you guys because so you can know the reference, because we do it on stream. Anyways, I had to pause the game because if I click off the game, then it like goes quiet. So that's why I'm not doing it a bunch. But I need to click off to give Ghosties a shout out, guys. Ghosties plays a lot of Phasmo and other spooky games. So please go check them out. They're such a sweet person. They're really chill vibes, which I very much appreciate. Some like especially at the end of the night, like because usually I'll join Ghosties' stream like later at night, either like after my stream or like just like when I get home from something, because I'm freaking always not home. But and chill vibes, I very much appreciate them always. All right.
Hello.
The barber. Pretty nice house here. You got house/shop. Oh, you're welcome. You're more than welcome. Yeah. All right. Have I gone in here? I'm making sure I'm not missing any chests and such. Because I don't have I did come in here. Move. And you guys can just get a feel for what Bowerstone looks like. These are what their houses look like, what their people look like. This is what it looks like when I'm stealing from their house. That was 50 gold. I don't do a lot of bad things in this game because, like, I do prefer the hero route. It's just more fun, I think. But I do like to steal in this game. Shh, secrets. Chicken kicking time! Nice. You see how much further I kicked that chicken compared to when I was a kid? Let's go to the quay. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. They say what they're gonna say. So this is where a witch lives. It's for reals though. Chickens! Oh. Nothing in here? Okay. Nothing in there. What the hell are we doing here? If there's nothing for me to find. Oh, hello, sir.
Hello there. I don't think you've met my daughter, have you? She's rather lovely, if I say so myself, though a bit fussy. She's keen to meet strong, handsome men like you. All right.
I don't know. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that guy was asking me if I wanted to. Yeah, first of all, he talks like kind of like strange compared to any of the other characters in this game. And he wants.
My friend Bob the Cobbler has the longest ponytail in all of Albion, you know.
And he wants me to meet his daughter, and I don't know what that does for me in the game. So like I said no. But we'll probably do it at some point. Everybody, please go check out my friend Mod Wind, the Invisible Wind, if you don't know him. Yeah, he's a real weirdo. I don't know, dude. Health potion. Wait, I didn't get bad points for that. I can break stuff here? How's your stream going? It's going well! I freaking love this game, so like, what more can I say, you know? I'm enjoying going back to it. It really makes me want to play the other two games, but I obviously should finish playing this one before I play the other ones. How are you doing, Wind? How's school and everything? Hopefully you're not having to deal with too much of that on your day off. Or like on a Saturday is what I meant. Not day off. I don't know if it's your day off or not. You might have work. Alright. So this is a big school. See, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cute. Look at it. This is a little stage. And I don't know what the point of this little hallway is. There's a guard that will be mad at me if I do anything bad. And this is a house you can buy. And buying houses or buying real estate in this game is important because it helps you make money. I'm doing good. Got no homework finished. Got no homework today. Oh, okay. I read got no homework finished, and I'm like, is that good? Okay, but you don't have homework today because you finished it. That's good. I'm glad. Yeah, but you can have a, you know, a day to yourself. Hopefully. At least you're having a nice day. If you have wealth, you can invest in property and rent it out to others, which gets you more money. It's a really good source of money in these games. Or you can buy a house and get married here. And you can, if you can get married to so many people in this game, by the way. I am, thanks for asking. Good. Yeah, that's really nice. But, I don't really care about getting married in this game. But it is kind of funny because, you just, like, flirt with them and bring them gifts. Flirting is this.
Hey.
Can make,
follow.
You can tell them to follow you. And, what is happening? This is one child. Why does it sound like 5? That's really weird. Anyways. He got mad because I just squared up to a child. Also, did you see the new stuff in Genshin Impact? Things are getting heated. I saw that you sent some stuff, but I did not get to read it yesterday. What do you mean things are getting heated?
Over here.
Alright, let's go talk to Maze now.
Been enjoying all the attention, have you? Yes. I heard about your encounter with the Wasp Queen. Most of Bowerstone is talking about it. But, you shouldn't let that kind of thing go to your head. Anyway, that's not why I called you here. You see, there are dark forces gathering that put your giant insect to shame. Tell me, how much do you remember of the night I took you to the guild? Of the raid on Oakvale? Not much, I wager. A most terrible night. I thought those bandits had killed your whole family, and that you were going to be next. But it seems there may have been another survivor.
Yes.
Your sister.
Yes, our sister is
I'm afraid
alive.
it's only a rumor, and there's no way to be certain yet. But I thought you should know.
Teresa is her name.
And for pity's
If you
sake,
guys,
boy,
for anybody
make
who
sure
wasn't
you
here or didn't
replace that
remember.
basic equipment while you're here.
Why is he being so mean to me? Like, yeah, I have basic equipment.
Check the guild for more quests.
They're talking about the Hydro Archon receiving the death sentence in the preview. What? Oh my god.
Quick, follow me.
Huh? Oh, the crazy lady's there.
Sky is red.
Oh, woe is me. My son is poorly. It's me boy. My poor little
This
boy.
seems fake as hell.
We were on a picnic at Lookout Point when he found these...
Oh, never mind.
These strange mushrooms.
Mushrooms?
The witch in Bowerstone Key says we shouldn't worry.
Oh, that's how you
but
say
she
that,
needs
Key.
more of the mushrooms before she can cure him.
Cure
I
him?
would find them myself, but I need to look after Aldi. Please, could you help us?
Alright. We'll have to come back and talk to the crazy lady another time.
Killer of chickens! Oh!
That's right, I kill chickens. Soon to be killer of anybody that gets in my way. So watch out. Alright. I guess we need to go back
Stay
to Lookout
within
Point.
the law.
Literally, shut up. So we gotta go back to Lookout Point and find mushrooms? Is that what I'm hearing? Was I supposed to talk to the witch first? I don't know. There's some kind of quest for me over here. So we need to do quests and get more renowned and stuff.
Oh, are you talking to me?
Yeah.
You know, sound waves can make your head spin into the sun. I've seen it happen, man.
Yeah, man.
If only I hadn't lost my mushroom of truth in the guild, I'd be able to show
How
you.
did you get it? How did you get into the guild? Who let you in?
Hey, hey, if you keep really still, I can see your skeleton. Far out, man. You're from the guild, aren't you? Man, what a place. If you go back there, maybe you can find our mushroom. I was standing on those stepping stones in that pool where the door talks. Man, it just flew right out of my hand.
Do I have...
It's all...
Oh, didn't mean to talk to you. Oh, didn't mean to do that either. Oh, F. F is where I... Do I have... I can't remember if I got a fishing pole. Lamp, silver key. I don't see a fishing pole. Well, and I'm pretty sure I need a fishing pole to get the stuff they're talking about. Oh, I do have to talk to the witch. We'll teleport. Time to go find the witch. The witch, the witch, the witch, the witch, the witch of the Bowerstone Key. Bowerstone Key, which, what was that scream? Oh, people are snoring. There she is. I told you guys the witch lived here. Hello, ma'am.
No, don't tell me. You were sent here by an irritating young lady. The one with the comatose kid.
Yeah.
Don't look so surprised. I am a witch, you know. I read tea leaves on Thursdays. Besides, you're not the first fool she sent my way. Find me 4 blue mushrooms, and I can brew up an antidote. But there's no hurry. The stuff won't kill him. The little tyke's probably having the time of his life.
Is he hallucinating? Seek out 4 blue mushrooms in the land of Albion. In the entire land of Albion, find 4 mushrooms. Bruh, what the actual hell? Just relaxing. That's nice. Yeah, that's how most of my day is going to be.
Welcome to the Fist Fighters gang.
How about your weekend so far? I went to a hockey game last night when it was really fun. And I had dinner out and that was nice. It was pretty good. And then I didn't go to sleep until 2 a.m. last night because I was reading. Then I woke up around like 8 today. And I cleaned some, took care of my dogs, and I made a breakfast. So it was pretty nice. Pretty nice.
It's for people who like to mash each other's brains out, and it's a place where we hone our unarmed combat skills. It's also damn good fun. Now, I'm the head of this Fistfighters gang. Those knuckles look plenty good to me.
You can't even see them. I'm wearing gloves.
You
bro.
up for a bit of it? If you want, you'll get gold for every round.
Yes.
Stay in. So, you might be...
Yes, I want to fight.
Time to loosen the...
I look skinny. I'm a beanpole. Get wrecked, dude! Oh, right, okay. I'm like, how do I block again?
There he is.
Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Get me some money by fighting these idiots.
Smack him at your fist.
Get it with your fists.
Get freaking wrecked, idiot. I knocked him out of the ring, so I win.
I'll take care of you myself.
Now I fight the leader.
Get back in the ring.
Me? You're out of the ring, idiot.
That's some knuckle power.
Beat him up, beat him up, let's go. It's
The gold's
easy.
yours.
It's so easy. I passed level 1. So now I beat level 1 here. I think that means next town I go to, there's gonna be another fighting ring. Crush him like a walnut. Okay. Very nice. It's a good saying. I love it.
Have you want to meet my daughter then?
Sure, I'll meet your daughter.
That's good news. Thing is,
I just wanna know.
she only likes men whose hair looks like the picture on this card.
Oh, right. Pudding basin.
Maybe if you looked like that, she'd let me introduce you to her. Come and find me when you're ready.
Oh, can I put my shirt back on? Like, what? That's just weird. Yeah, he's weird. Villager gloves, apprentice gloves. They are the same exact armor rating. I'll do apprentice gloves, though. I'm gonna walk around with the hood. Oh, wait, what am I doing? Do I need to... Oh, yeah, I need to choose to wear it. I don't have a fancy outfit yet, you know? So... Oh no, I want the hooded version. The more you talk to him, it just gets weirder. Yeah. It's not comfortable. Talk to that guy, he's real weird. Alright. Now then... What are we doing right now? 4 mushrooms. Right. That doesn't help at all. Where the hell do I find the 4 mushrooms? 4 blue mushrooms. Where do I find those? I really don't remember.
I think I need to go to the guild? I don't know. I see green dots down there, so we can go talk to people. I don't remember if we get mushrooms from helping other people, or I don't know. Game Master.
Play card pairs.
No. I don't have enough money to bother doing that yet. You think I have enough money to be making bets off of a card game I don't know how to play? Yeah, right. Stop calling me Chicken Chaser. I didn't get to choose that name. First thing I'm gonna do is buy a new hero name. Look what happens when we go up here, guys. Try to go to the fancy part of Bowerstone.
Not so fast, Sunshine. You're not allowed in there.
Why? Why not, kind sir? Let me into the Bowerstone North. They got good money there and I need their money.
Ah, there is an important quest card at the guild for you.
Alright. That's cool because we're going to the Heroes Guild. Actually. Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess we are. Heroes Guild. There's a new quest card. I thought. No. I thought you said
Choose
there...
your path wisely, hero. An Orchard Farm quest awaits.
I didn't see it. Oh, okay. Protect. See, we can protect or attack Orchard Farm. And I really don't understand what boasting is, even after the number of times that I played this game. I don't understand what it is. But, I'm just gonna take the normal quest card.
It seems something interesting.
It's happening, yeah. Why is there a green circle? Who's the green circle? Snowman, can I help you? Can I help you? Oh. What do you need? You need to go outside? Or you just need attention? You just need attention? You just want attention and love? Oh man. Oh yeah, hi. Hi little girl. You need attention too? You just wake up? You wanna go outside? Okay. I'm gonna let the dogs outside very quickly. And I set a timer to let them back in.
What's going on?
Oh, a hero.
Which one of you has this? Needs something from me, huh? This guy?
Let's get the map room is next. We are now approaching the map room.
Oh! That's the guy giving the tour. I forgot about him. I forgot he existed. There's like a guy who brings people on tours around the guild. This grave awaits a hero worthy of joining the legends who lie here. Here rests the body of Holder, the great warrior who tamed the last dragon seen in Albion and rode it into countless battles. That's freaking awesome. As commander of the Dragon Knights, he kept watch over all men and women of the Southern Lands. That's so freaking cool. Here lies Delph, once the most powerful sorceress in Albion. Though she dedicated most of her life to selfish pursuits and torment of others, she later repented and renounced her most devastating powers for the good of the guild. So she does a bunch of bad things, but it's okay because in the end she repented, I guess. in the eyes of, because like they buried her in this fancy thing, you know, along with these other great heroes. So interesting. Here are buried the remains of Solstice, the legendary mage who once sacrificed his own life while performing the greatest spell, closing a vortex that threatened to engulf Bowerstone. Anyways. I can't wait till we get some different armor and don't have to wear this. No, I don't want to go those places. So we would just go this way. Oh. What do you mean? Look at that. We can look at this other parts of the map. We can Oakvale's all the way down there. There's Orchard Farm. Oh, tab. I'm like trying to figure out what freaking buttons to press.
How may I help you today?
You can help me by making me not named Chicken Chaser. That would be great.
You're sure to find something to suit you?
Oh my god, they're so expensive. I don't have money for this. Look, I could be Assassin. Assassin, I would find that funny. Avatar, Liberator, Druid, Ranger, Rune Master, Hood, Saber. Saber's probably my favorite one. It's also one of the cheaper ones. That's not a great one, but it is funny. Well, Saber's only $250. Shoot, I'm gonna become called Saber, but I'm not gonna worry about it quite right now. Cause I know the money I can get. How do I get a fishing pole so I can help these doofuses out? Alright, I wanted to go over here to the picnic again because that's where the lady said that her son found the weird mushrooms that he ate. So I'm imagining maybe I can find them here.
It's not working. Why isn't it working, strange looking man? Look, I ate the mushroom, innit? They all said I'd laugh my knickers off if I ate it, and I totally did. And I'm not. So far, it's a big zero of chuckles. Can you make me laugh? Come on. Like, innit, please?
Like, in it, please? What? Oh, shoot! I just gave her money.
That was...
Hey!
A hero that dances? What clown?
Do another one. I don't have another one.
Make me laugh, why don't you?
That was hilarious!
This lady. She may not be high off mushrooms, but she's something.
Hey!
Oh, he's just...
My god. Meanwhile, we're just like stone-faced.
Take this! You're like the funniest thing ever!
I accidentally gave you $50, so, or 50 coins. Can I have those back, please?
Tell me, did you have to get trained specially, or did you look that what's happening?
Aw, chicken chaser. Look at the chickens run!
Don't call me Chicken Chaser. Please, they won't stop calling me Chicken Chaser. Anyways, we found one blue mushroom. I'm sure there's another one in the water in the guild, but we can't get it because we don't have a fishing pole. I don't know how to get one. I don't know if I have to buy it from... Oh, I wonder if I have to buy it from the store in the guild. Or something like that. Either that or in Bowerstone. I imagine I could buy it in one of the stores. Gotta be, right? Excuse me, you got a fishing pole for sale?
You're sure to find something to suit you.
Pre-owned thunder helmet. Bowerstone guard hat. Not hall guard hat. Borrowed whispers hat. What? Do you have other things? I'm guessing it's underneath this kind of stuff. He does not have anything useful. How many do I have? 4. Let's make it 5.
I heard it's bad up at Orchard Farm.
Alright, so no fishing pole here. Let's try to go to Bowerstone South. They have general shops. See if we can find anything in those. Well, one of them. It says general shops, but like one's a saloon, or one is a tavern, and then one is a
You okay?
salon. That's what I meant to say,
sure to
not
find something to
saloon.
suit
What the
you?
heck? This guy doesn't
I
sell.
heard it's bad up at
This
Orchard
guy only
Farm.
sells that. I need.
Chicken chaser.
Oh, on the map, I forget. On the map, you see the buildings that are colored.
What's he
Those
doing
are the
here, I
ones you
wonder?
can buy stuff in.
Ready to help? Best prices.
That's this guy.
You're sure to find something to suit you.
And he has weapons, and then that's the salon up there. Where the hell do I get a... Where the heck do I get a freaking fishing pole from? I'm gonna have to look it up. If I don't just come across it. Oh. Hello, sir.
You've come to the right place.
Fishing rod! Nice. Ooh, and a shovel. We need a shovel. Anyways, so.
Jenna and Isaiah, the farmers.
Yeah, don't talk to me. Oh shoot, we should have just freaking, we should just go straight to the guild because we gotta fish. Now any, ripples that we see in water, we can fish out of them. Let's go get 2 of 4 mushrooms now. It's somewhere over here. Oh, it's over by the steps actually. Right there, see? And if you get right in the right spot, you see the little, down here, there's a little fishing thing that pops up, F1. Wait until you hear the line being pulled and press to reel in. Alright. Nice. Fishing is not hard in this game. Well, not most of the time. I can't remember if there's somewhere I can fish in the Demon Door area. No, okay. I just remember there was water in there, so may as well check it out. Alright, let's go. I want to go to the woods also because I know that there's a place I can fish in the woods over here. And you can pull up some good things while fishing, other than just, you can't just get fish. But you can get more than fish. Also, why are there green dots here? Oh, not 1. F1. Silver key. I knew it. I freaking knew it. Alright, who's back here?
Hey, hi. Look, could you do me a massive favour?
Massive favor? I don't know.
My name's Cyril. Me and some friends had a little party here the other night, and I met this drop-dead gorgeous girl from Oakvale. Oh, Myra. I mean, she was a stunner. At least I think she was. But I also thought the trees around us were running around on little chocolate legs, if you see what I mean. Anyway, I really want to see her again. Well, probably. I mean, maybe it was just the mushrooms and she's actually just an ugly stick victim. Even if she isn't, what if she doesn't like me? I'm going to take my chances all the same. Please, take this letter to her in Oakvale. I must know how she feels. The suspense is killing me. Oh, one more thing. Don't try to pass the letter off.
Why would I pass the letter off as my own? I don't want anything to do with it. Oh, nice. We can just go all the way to Lookout Point. So I think we can get a mushroom from him, but we can't get all the way to freaking Oakvale yet. That's really far. Just starting to get into Honkai Star Rail. I can't. I don't have time for Honkai Star Rail. I was very interested in it when it first came out, and you know, Wind, I started playing it a little bit. But after like a few days, I was like, I don't have time. It's unfortunate. Alright. Now we go... I guess we go to Orchard Farm now. Oh, actually... Yeah, I don't have freaking money. I have to go ahead and do this. I was like, should I get a better sword and stuff? But... I don't have money for that. Hi, Kadude. Are you... Are you doing, like... What? Was that auto-corrected or something? Because what is Hot Guy Straw Ale? What is that? What the heck? Welcome in, also. Nobody redeemed Stretch. I just needed Stretch. Oh! I need to let my dogs in. The game you were just talking about? Huh? Wait, did you actually hear? Like, you didn't hear me right? And I said Hot Guy Straw Ale as far as you heard? I definitely don't recall saying those exact words. I was talking to that guy in the forest just now. Probably Hawkeye something. No. Oh! Honkai Star Rail. Yeah, dude. Okay, I was talking about Wynn's message that says Honkai Star Rail. It's like Genshin Impact. Yeah. I'll be right back. I gotta let my dog in. Hello, I am back. I'm glad I was able to figure out what you were talking about, Kadude. That's funny though. Hot Guy Star Ale? Straw Ale? Or whatever. Honkai Star Rail. Alright. We go in.
So you're going
Oh.
to be doing some work down at Orchard Farm, are you? I knew that was your true calling. I saw Lady Grey set the opposite quest in the guild yesterday. Maybe I should pick it up. I hope you've been practicing. You'll need all the experience you can get to beat me. See you later, farm boy.
You didn't think it would be fun? I mean, a lot of people have said a lot of good things about it, different things that they've improved on since, you know, Genshin. He killed it himself. Oh. Hello? Why wouldn't it let me use my frickin'
So you're the chicken carpenter.
Can I wait, you're traders. Can you give me
I heard it's bad up at Orchard Farm.
Oh, no, none of you are selling anything. What are you doing to the poor moths? They're evil little wasps, okay? Wear corn. Is that how I say that? Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I was beating up wasps that were attacking people. Thank you very much. What do you mean it doesn't? There's something buried there, and I know there is. I guess it may not let me find it yet. Sure. You didn't see it fighting them? Well, sword is a lot faster. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Nice. Very easy. Alright. All I saw was heartless, bloodthirsty lightning. Well, now I'm using a sword. Oh. I think there's one fighting someone over here. Stop attacking me. Oh, you're not. Is this the entrance to... Yeah, this entrance is closed for repairs. So we can't go to the easy route to Orchard Farm. Which is why there's not a gold thing showing up.
Nice to see you, sir.
Hi. You're not selling
Greetings.
anything. What's wrong with you?
Nice to see you again, sir.
We're not gonna go straight to Orchard Farm because when have I ever been known to just follow the map? Wait, is this where I just came from? That's where I just came from. Whoops.
You don't look like no
Oh, freaking nice. There's a body there, but like ignore that. Will Master's elixir. Yeah. I don't know what was his problem, but he did not make it out alive. They probably just want to play fetch or something and you're striking them down. They don't want to play fetch. They don't even have thinks. Ain't no thinks going through their head. Fisher Creek. Oh. Yeah, that's right. I'm familiar with this place. Oh, we gotta save this place too?
Help me! They're everywhere! I can't get out!
Yes, sir. Time to whack him all down. Exterminate. That was easy. Easiest game.
Oh, thank you, young
This
lad.
game's for babies.
I ain't cast me line for so long, I got me the shakes. Been eating bait worms all week.
Couldn't have come at a worse time either. I've got me a fishing competition to organise.
I tell you what, I'll give you free entry to the competition. Least I could do.
Gee, thanks.
You'll be needing this here fishing rod. Made it myself.
He gives me a fishing
All you
rod
need to
for
do
free.
is cast your rod over one of them ripples there.
I used 50 coins to buy one. Dang it. Sad. Hero's Journey 1. Dude, you don't have much in your house.
All you have to do is use your fishing rod over a ripple.
Oh, you want me to do that now? Okay. La di da di da di da di da. Golden fish.
Great pike, my lad. That's a hell of a catch.
You should come back here later. I'm reviving the great old fishing competition.
There's plenty more fishing spots round here, if the mood takes you.
Can I eat fish? Or do I have to do something with them? I can't remember. You can't cook in this game, I know that much. Oh, no. Let's see, what else can we fish up? Wait for the sound. And then start reeling in. You can see that green bar. If I click too much, if I try to reel in too much while it's pulling, it'll go like green to yellow to orange to red. And if it gets to that far, then the line breaks. Working mustache. The things you find when you're fishing, you know. Mustache. Nice. There's a chest over there. 100 gold. Very, very nice. I can't wait until we're killing stuff and it gives them, they drop gold. Hella gold for us. Especially hobs. Hobs drop a lot of gold. Although I hate fighting them. What's it now? Silver key. Man. It's a great fishing hole here. Like, what the heck? We're just finding everything useful. Fish with one hand? One hand fish. I'm pretty impressive because how am I reeling in and holding the fishing pole? I don't know. Moonfish. Alright. That's enough fishing for now. Leather gauntlets. Heck yes! Get some actual, equipment.
I was a trader in the young days.
Oh wait, there's money right here or something. What did I just get? Back to Greatwood. So as the game goes on, I will get harder things to fight. Oh, also, you can find traders here that actually will trade with you. Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, this guy just sells this stuff. I don't care about any of that. Don't worry, I saved your life. It's a good way to get experience points, you know.
Easy as that.
Oh wait, is that the guy I
Think
just
we
talked
can do
to?
a special
Yeah, just the
offer
guy I
for
just
you,
talked
sir.
to.
Easy as that.
Alright, that's all of them.
Simple when you know how.
Wait, I want to talk to you.
I
What are
think
you
we can do
selling?
a special offer for you, sir.
Okay, see, so this is green now, which means that he's selling things for a better price. This is all the money I have. So, I'm not buying anything. I just wanted to see.
I heard it's bad.
Alright, what we're gonna do is go this way towards the gold blinking arrow on the map. And we're gonna go to Greatwood Lake is where we're going next. I can't wait to... I doubt we'll probably have to go to Darkwood next time. We're not to that point yet. Yeah, get him! Oh, I didn't have to use my... Good, thank you. Anyways, the rest of the people can chill for a second. I say as they're, like, dying. I think this is my 5th key. Yes, 5 keys, so I can open that chest that's down there now. Once again, while people are dying. What do you want me to do? I've got a chest to open. They're fighting. The traders fight back. They're pretty cool. Elixir of life. 1 measly health potion. Oh. It's just these guys. Oh, I thought that guy died for a second. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it was only wasps. They're all fine. Alright, health potion. I can't go all the way around this stupid globe.
Look at him. You gotta respect that, haven't you?
Thank you, sir.
He didn't last long.
Oh, the other one's at the top. Okay. So actually now I'm gonna go to the guild real quick because I have experience points I need to use up. But the good news is when you first teleport to the guild, or when you first teleport somewhere, even if there's not a Cullis gate, like a teleportation point, where you just were, you can do a recall and go right back to where you just were. So that's nice. That's why I waited until I got to that new area. Alright. That's always good to have. I don't know that I want Fireball yet. I don't have enough money for anything yet, do I? See, if it's lit up like this, those are the only things I have ability to buy stuff for. So I really don't have much to go with. Like, what the heck? See, Greatwood Lake recall. Beautiful. Let's go back. Let's go, Oreo. And let's get some more points for fighting things. What's in this direction? Greatwood Gorge. We don't really want to go to Greatwood Gorge yet. Now that I remember that that's Greatyard Gorge over there, I'm like, I'm good. Don't kill the nice traders. Hello, sir, with the handle of mustache. What do you sell? Just kidding. Why is there always one assassin or bandit? Oh, the head came off. Nice. Did you guys see that? That's pretty cool. Hi there, friend.
Chicken chaser.
Yeah. Don't call me Chicken Chaser. Yeah, it looks like the traders that I find out here will give me better prices for stuff most of the time. Most of the time. So this is the roundabout way to Orchard Farm. Orchard Farm, okay. Trying to remember exactly how this quest goes. I know we fight against Whisper, which is surprising,
Avo,
right?
you're here. I thought
Considering
no one would answer our guild request.
what happened
I've
earlier.
arranged some more security to back you up, but there are so many bandits that they'll tear my farm apart. I wish we'd never found those damn stones. They brought us nothing but trouble. My wife Jenna won't let them anywhere near the house, so we've left them in some crates in the barn. They must be worth a fortune. They say Lady Grey wants them. I've already lost 3 farmhands in these raids.
Aww.
That must be them now. I better go inside and look after my wife. She's terrified.
Alright, so we're protecting these stones that they found. We're protecting these boxes from the bandits. Oh, those are guards.
Death to all!
Lead the way!
We gotta make sure none of the boxes get taken.
Look out! More bandits! For honor!
You're now renowned enough to use the sneer expression.
Lead the way!
Well, I think, yeah.
Unstated.
Yeah, that one shot worked out pretty well, didn't it? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, guys.
Look out! More bandits!
That was unprofessional. I thought they would get here a little faster. I don't know why. Oh, shoot. Alright. What? You're not dead?
Death to evil!
We've got company!
What are you guys screaming? These guards are going, ah! And it makes me think that the bandits are freaking right here.
So, you've learned some new moves, have you?
She has a pretty cool outfit,
Well,
honestly.
You're not the only one. I
It's
hope
not
you've
fair,
learned
'cause I
how to
look dumb.
flourish, because that's the only way you're going to get close to me.
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
on. Try to hit me with a flourish. So you can do it. I'm still going to beat you, though.
You're backing yourself into a corner, which isn't like the best idea. Why aren't you trying to hit me, bruh? Come on. Hit me with your best shot. Oh, she did. Oh, come on. What if I just do this, huh? Huh? How's that? Is that okay? Is that acceptable?
Damn! You beat me again! I suppose this quest is yours then.
It's not your fault,
But
Whisper. You
can't
should have
stay
been
lucky forever.
They
Farm
should have
Boy.
made her
We're
stronger.
bound to meet again, and I'll be ready.
Because if she's really supposed to be our rival, I feel like we should
Did it.
be
I
on the
can't
same
tell you
level.
how grateful we are. Someone should be round to pick up the boxes soon, so we shouldn't have any more problems. Can't
His
see why
wife-
there's been so much fuss about those stones.
His
Glad to
wife
see the
just
back
said,
of them myself.
"Oh, hi."
Must be worth plenty of money to someone, though. I'll make sure to tell everyone about you. We need heroes like you around.
You're welcome. Anyways, you got anything nice in your house?
You're now good enough to use the apologize expression.
Excuse me.
Check the guild for more quests.
Excuse me. Can you open your doors? I'm trying to see if you have anything I need to rob. Oh look, instead, what are we gonna do? We're going to grave rob. Upper dress. That's not helpful at all, but I can sell it. I just stole clothing from a corpse. That's questionable. Alright, let's see what else they got around here. A chest! I knew it! They're not hid so sneakily. Jet! Ah! Holy crap. Chickens can fly. Oh, what's in here? Treasure clue. 5. So with the treasure clues, you have to do them in order.
You have found your first treasure clue.
So.
Rumors abound that an item of value lies hidden somewhere in Albion. The clues should lead you to it. I understand there are 6 of them in all.
So you have to follow the clues from the first step, so it doesn't help that I found the 5th one. 5th step. Because I don't know where it starts from. I do feel like when I was younger, that, like, when I was a kid, that I found the fishing a little more difficult. Once again, it's not, though. I'm getting the apples off the ground. There's certain ones that I can pick up, like that one. Because they can give me health. Oh my gosh, I just picked up a bunch. Give me health. Alright. What is this way over here? I don't really remember the fishing much for some reason. Yeah, like I said, I mean, I didn't used to like to do it. It's really not hard, though. You do have to do it for some parts of the game. Okay, I was about to say there better be something else that I need to do here. I can't wait till we go on the bandit quest. Very excited for that one. That bar got yellow. Oh, that bar got red. Nice. I've done Stardew Valley fishing. This fishing is not difficult anymore. Alright, nice. I believe we found everything that we need to here. So let's head back to the guild and find out what our next quest is. I love this game so very much. Hello, Guildmaster. Trader escort! So we want to do the hob killing contest. I don't know why we can't take the my renown's not high enough. And escating the trader through Darkwood. We can probably do that quest actually, maybe today. I kind of want to actually get these levels up. There's probably like other things in here that I'm gonna think about, about using that I wouldn't have before, Because like when I used to play this game, I was like, oh yeah, fireball and force push were like my favorites because they were just simple, like use them and like whack people, right? Oh, I can up my mana level. Okay, cool. But now I have, you know, I have more ability to like think about like what these powers can actually do for me. And so like I just bought multi-strike, which gives me the ability to do the first level, gives me the ability of basically 2 strikes in 1 strike with my sword. And like that's pretty cool. Like, but I know I didn't use that as a kid because I was just like, I don't know what that means. I want to use the force push. You know what I mean?
Go to
All right. So where are we going? To help the traders in Darkwood? Oh, there's the Hob Cave. Here, this is what we're doing. I don't know about doing the trader escort this time actually because it's kind of like I kind of want to have better weapons and everything too, so maybe we'll do the hob killing contest instead. How much money do I have? Oh, almost 1,400. Let's go see if we can't get a better weapon. Like a decent one. I also
Please
need
obey
different...
the law while you're here.
I need new clothes too, dude. They're not... Oh, I gotta go sleep. Because all the stores aren't open. Let's go sleep for the first time.
Sky is really pretty today.
Where does the roof go? Have you guys ever heard me or my sister say that? The sky is awfully pretty today. Where did the roof go? It's because of this crazy lady who's high off mushrooms. She says a bunch of weird things. That's one of them. And my sister and I...
My body is made out of sugar. I hope I don't fall into a cup of tea.
She has so many good lines that we quote. Oh my gosh. You have to go into that cellar at the right time.
Headless monkey. I don't like your eyes.
She says some interesting things. All right, now it's daytime. Open up the shops. I need to buy things. Look at him setting out his stuff. Isn't that cool? It's so you don't steal it in the middle of the night when it's real easy to steal it.
As I live and breathe.
Don't breathe.
Chicken chaser.
Don't call me Chicken Chaser.
Let me guess. Looking for items of combat? I
Yes.
think we can do a special offer for you, sir.
Iron Cleaver. Ironic. What if I just want to skip to Obsidian Cleaver? Is that a no? It looks like it's a no. So right now... Oh, Iron Cleaver would do less damage. No. I need to sell my sword and my bow because they're not that great anyways and I'm not going to use them. Yeah, none of the iron stuff, except for like the heavier items, which I don't like to use, are gonna give me better damage, more damage. I want cleavers. I could buy a better bow. I don't really care about that though.
Please remember to observe our laws.
maybe I can find better or buy some better. Oh no. Armor.
I think we can do a special offer for you, sir.
Assassin! Hey, welcome in. How it be? That's a lot of money, but I need the money, or I need the armor. I don't have almost any armor stuff. Not me just waking up. I shouldn't be surprised, should I? We'll buy the top and the bottom. And we have the gloves already. We found those. So also, it's really interesting, by the way. You have an attractiveness and a scariness meter. And this the leather armor gives you less attractiveness, but no added scariness. Also, I could have bought the light armor, but I forgot it was a thing, honestly. And I think it gives you more good points. If you buy the dark armor, it gives you more bad points.
I think we can do a special
Let me look
offer
at it
for
real
you,
quick.
sir.
Bright leather, actually, okay, so it still takes away attractiveness, but not a lot. But it also gives me +10.
Farmers have had stuff stolen.
Good points,
Weird
yeah.
devices they were.
Alright, look, we've got a cooler outfit now. Oh, I can sell some stuff to this guy. I
I
forgot.
think we can do a special offer for you, sir.
I don't want that. No, I'm wearing that right now. I don't want the dress. Or the villager gloves. Or the villager trousers. Or the villager boots.
I hope you're watching over the traders as they pass through
Oh.
the forest. I think we can do a special offer for you, sir.
How much are the boots? 63? That's it? Oh.
I
Okay.
hope you're
Make the
watching over
outfit
the
complete.
traders as they-
I just wanted to make the outfit complete. And they were cheap, so. Compared to the rest of the outfit, they were cheap. Nice. Look at this! Look at this! I look like an actual person that fights and stuff. Nice. No better sword, but that's alright. The heck is that? Oh, it's a ring. Alright.
You won't be
Literally, don't talk to me. Alright. I think we're gonna go back to Orchard Farm now. And go kill some hobs in the hob killing contest. Oh, let's see how this new power works. Yeah, see? Okay, so this is the multi-strike, and now... Okay. It doesn't use a lot of my mana, either. To do it, I don't think. That could be really useful. Look at the... I freaking love, by the way, their moon.
Oh, hello there, hero.
It's kind of crazy how close that is, but it's really cool.
Look at the chickens run!
I forgot I don't need to be called Chicken Chaser for the rest of the game. No longer shall I be allowed to be called Chicken Chaser. I gotta stop that.
You're sure to find something to suit you.
Oh, Assassin! Look, I brought this up earlier when I saw it, but look, I could be known as Assassin. I'm not going to be known as Assassin, but I could be. I will be known as Saber.
Farmers have had stuff stolen. Weird.
Now, my stats. Does it say anywhere that my name is Saber now? This says logbook for a second. I thought it said lookbook.
Are you looking to make a purchase?
Thank you for the Lyric Wind. Alright. Oh. Also, now that I am here... Oop. Oh my gosh. Gets real quiet, but sorry, I had to do the shout out for Assassin. Because he won't shout himself out, because they never do. No mod ever shouts themselves out, even though they should. Because you can. Alright, let's go beat up. Oh, we got bigger bugs now. Okay, multi-strike is on. Hello?
Good riddance.
Oh.
Go on.
You're welcome, sirs.
That's Saber.
We could be friends.
Yes, they're calling me Saber.
You're sure to find something to suit you.
Nice. Okay, I don't need any
Farmers
of that.
had stuff stolen. Weird devices they were.
Bandits! Yes, bandits! Did I just hear something? Wait. Oh, I was trying to stab that guy while he was down. What the heck? How did that miss? Bandits give me more stuff, so it's nice to kill them. Like, see, he's got something. Red meat, nice. Also, it's really funny. You can gain weight in this game. Oh. So you like have to be careful about what you eat. Alright. That's all of them. We got them all. Let's see. Can we? Oh. We still can't go this way? I'm on PC now. That's nice. So we got to take the short way here now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go kill Hobbs. We're gonna do a Hob killing contest with Whisper.
Ah, there you are.
Hobbs
About
drop a lot of
time you
money.
showed up. I was going to start without you.
Also, I was gonna do one other thing. Because I thought I missed something. So give me a second. Okay, no. We're good. Let's kill
I was just telling
Hobbs!
your friend here, the whole orchard's overrun with Hobbs.
This guy
I could
struggles.
get rid of them myself, but it might be more fun like this. Whoever kills the most Hobbs gets the trophy, right?
I don't care how you do it, just stick 'em before they drink all my scrumpy. The little sods cracked open my crates down by the river at the
I
far
think
end
we
of the
really have to
Guess that's where we should go.
sweat
Race you there.
to beat her in this, I think. I think there's like it keeps track of how much we both killed.
Make sure you make every one of their deaths painful.
First of all, we gotta run ahead of her. Probably need to get my sword out. This is our first time meeting Hobbs. What? That didn't count as one? Oh, right, there's one. Alright, we've killed 2, and she's killed none, so that's good. What? How did that miss him?
You won't wait for me, will you?
No, I won't wait for you, bruh.
Another one to me.
They definitely take a lot of work to take down.
You are clearly becoming adept with combat multipliers.
Damn! You got another one.
Money.
Who's next?
Oh, she took that one. Are you kidding me? She can steal your kills, which is what I'm trying to do to her.
Your health is low. Do you have any potions or food?
Why is this guy over here trying to hit me? Oh my gosh, how is she catching up? I'm stealing her kill. No! Oh, okay, I got that one. Nice.
Your health is low. Do you have any potions or food?
Looks like we're level.
She stole my kill again.
Who's next?
Wait, how did she get ahead of me? I killed that one. Homegirl, quit trying to steal mine. Okay.
Well done. You really
Ah.
taught the Hobbs a lesson. They'll think twice before they try stealing from me again.
Why is it so much work to fight her?
Don't think it'll be easy next time, though. I think I'll hold on to the trophy for now.
What?
I was here first, after all. I've had enough of this. Maybe the guild has something more interesting for me.
Did I not win? Why is she taking the
We
trophy?
better make a move now and check
Did
on
we-
the damage.
Were we at a draw? Quest failed. Okay. So what we're not going to do is we're not going to fight her again. Because apparently we need to level up more.
That's a bad one.
Look, I can just kill them when they're down.
You're Wolverine meat. I've got a bad feeling about this.
Kill while he's down. Alright. They killed the traitors.
Not nice.
Darn. Alright, so now what we gotta do is farm for experience and get money. Sad. Did I want to go here? I don't know. Is the fishing competition being held yet? It is.
Here for the competition, are ya?
Yeah. Hello, I'm back.
Good to see you again, my young lad. Come to embark in our intrepid contest, have ya?
My hair's already
The stoutest rods in
looking
Albion are
lighter,
hunting the
like
waters for the biggest catch.
'cause it
and
was
I'm
black.
judging the best ones. Of course, there's now one could fishing bigger than me in my day, but it's time for younguns like you now.
Oh, as an
Bring
explanation.
your fishes, and I'll hand you your prizes if I think they're big enough. The sign over there's got all the
Shut up.
details on it if you want to read them. Good
Stop talking.
luck.
The guy that, or if the more good deeds we do, or and like good points that we get, our hair turns lighter and lighter. The more bad, shut up. The more bad things we do, we get more evil points, of course. And we grow horns. All right. Anyways. Wait, what are we doing?
I see your sack is heavy today, me lad. Let's take a squint, shall we? You need the fishes to get the prizes, me young lad.
How do you kill anything greasy on sailor?
But there's...
Keep
Okay, I can
practicing,
fish
and
here.
a big fish will come to you.
There's no ripples, that's what I was looking for. I guess it doesn't matter.
Ha-ha!
16 grams. $16 is so not heavy. The harder it is to pull the fish in, the like the better, or the more likely that it's a better fish. This one's like more than twice the size of the other fish. Ain't nobody else fishing right now. That one's not bigger than the one I caught before. Let's try over here. Very peaceful area. Ooh. I have a feeling this is gonna be a good one. Oh no! And that's what happens when you fail. This is not the same fish. This one will be a success. Yeah, this isn't the same fish. I can tell it's already not as good of one. It's our second to last, or it's the runner-up for size right now. One more try. Ooh, okay, so this is another hard one. I have to just be careful. Because one or two clicks while it's pulling and it breaks. So that's why I had to be careful. 102 grams! Oh, that's a lot bigger than the one that we... that was going to be our...
more fish in the
what we
streams.
submitted.
So, you got any scaly critters to strain me scales?
Yes.
Monkfish be praised. That's a true monster. That
Yo.
makes your first prize the top one.
We did it! I got a hat for that. I did remember that that's what we get.
I guess that means you take the second and third too. A hat, a rod, and a silver key. A true seafarer's bounty.
Rod of Champions and a silver key. We have 7 silver keys now. Sick. Well, that was rather successful fishing. Okay. We are going... I don't know what I want to do. I know I need to get more experience points. So let's fight some stuff here. Ah! Ah! Excuse me while I finish off your friend. He dead now. Apple pie. Oh, I meant to run. Ah, come on.
He lost his head.
Yeah, he did lose his head.
It's all going down.
And kill him while he's down. Alright. Oh, money. Not much, but some. We're gonna go to Greatwood or not Greatwood Forge. Just Greatwood Lake? Yeah. Oh, we already went up there before? Alright. Get out of my face, stupid.
Nice to see you.
Hi. I'm busy. You guys are taking all the kills. There's a couple more to fight over here.
Oh dear. That's a bad one finished.
Oh, hi, sir. What are you selling?
You've come to the right place.
Why do you all sell freaking
Darkwood's
tattoos?
a dangerous place, hero.
Yeah. I am gonna go to Greatwood Gorge. But not because I'm trying to go to Darkwood right now.
Some bandits have set up a toll in this region. Be careful.
I hope you got the gold they want. These bandits will kill us for fun.
How much gold?
I'm afraid this path is private. It'll cost you to get through. Or we can always use your head as an ornament. Either way suits us.
I can't tell you guys how fun it is to go through here and just kill all of them.
So, unless you're wanting to end up dead, you'll hand over your shinies. Hand the shinies over, and we'll let you pass.
I don't have that much money, bruh. Oh, so... That's right. I'm not supposed to say no and then he, like, gets mad at me. No. I just start shooting. or fighting. Alright. I saved my game just in case this goes horribly. And then we go over here. And then... Oh, and then we headshot him. Then we just... Oh.
Try to get your combat multiplier even higher.
Alright, come here.
Your health is low. Do you have any potions or food?
Oh, there's a guy in front of me that's alive. Anyway, so that's how you do that. You kill all those guys, and it's really fun. And then you can do even more. Because if I want, I can run away pretty easily right now. They're really not that bad to handle in smaller groups. Oh. See, like, I've about got this whole bandit camp knocked out. Just the last group is over here. It's not what I meant to do. Alright, we need to get a headshot. Nice. Oh. They got a big guy.
This isn't good. I'd stayed.
Oh. We already killed 2 of them. Well. That was really easy, guys. I'm not... Like, I just started the game not long ago. Like, I haven't done that much leveling up and everything, and that was easy. Look, now I can steal all their stuff! I out-bandited the bandits. Steel pick hammer. I won't use that, so I can sell it. That's nice. I found some pie and a mana potion and 2 health potions and some meat. There's a chest here. 500 gold? Freaking hell yeah. Oh my god, how many chests are in this area? I did not remember that there were this many. It was well worth it to take all of them out. Oh, I forgot about the augmentations. You can put them onto weapons to give them extra powers. But we can't, I'm not gonna put them on now because you put them, you can't take them off of weapons. So once you use them, they're gone. So I want to make sure to put them on a good weapon. There's a demon door up here. Hello, sir. You just discovered a demon door because the first one I accidentally just answered his riddle before he got to ask it. These ancient guardians were built to protect all manner of secrets. If you can satisfy the demon door, it may choose to let you through.
This is the deal.
Dang it!
You perform an act of great evil in my sight, and I'll pop open.
This is the one I was talking about that would... It'll... open if you perform an act of evil. And so one thing you can do is kill someone. So if I had killed one of those bandits in front of him, that would have done it. There's a really easy way that you can do it as well, though. So it's fine. I'm pretty sure the bandits will respawn there. So, no big deal. Alright, guys. I'm going to kill some hobs, and this will be our stopping point for today. Wait, why are these hobs so easy to kill right now? Oh, I did not mean to use that. You got magic? I got magic too. Get wrecked, idiot. How do you like magic now? What an idiot. So, we can now teleport to this Coloscape, which is nice. Very, very nice. Because now we don't have to obviously walk all the way over here. Stop hurting the farmer or the traders.
Respect is obviously due.
They killed one. It's pretty impressive.
What a hero. Easy. Say once more we meet.
You.
I'm pleased to serve you.
Do all the guys with the
Darkwood's
handlebar
a
mustache sell
dangerous
freaking
place,
tattoos? What the hell? Okay, let me check what these gates are, or what these lead me to. But I'll probably save right here. Okay, that goes to Rose Cottage, and this one goes to the Greatwood Caves. Okay, which I'm pretty sure is where our quest for Darkwood starts. So I'm gonna fish because it's right here, and then we're going to end it here, and we can start next time on Monday. I believe it's the next time I'll be playing Fable. Alright, what did I get? A moonfish. Bro, I thought there was something better in the water. Alright. That was honestly, a pretty successful first round of this game, though. I hope you guys are liking the game so far. Obviously, I love this game. I think I made that pretty clear that I love this game. Oh. I meant to close something else, but I closed my music. 1 second, guys. While it is getting started back up. So my next stream is Sunday at 8 p.m. I'm going to be playing Phasmo. Oh frick, I didn't want to do that. I'm doing things wrong. I accidentally just unpinned iTunes from my computer's freaking out. It's okay, because I have a backup. There we go. Alrighty, folks. Yep. Okay, next stream, like I was saying, is Sunday. We'll be playing Phasmo with my sister Elle and our IRL friends, Goose and Duck. The next time we'll be playing Fable, I believe, is next Monday is when I'm planning for it. Obviously, I don't have the schedule posted for that, but I did kind of already make it because my schedule is going to be weird next week since I'm leaving for vacation later that week. But we'll be playing Fable, yeah, Monday afternoon. So look forward to continuing the story because it's a lot of fun. It's really, really good story. It's really cool. And there's so many things that we haven't unlocked ability to do yet. And there's so many places, of course, we haven't seen yet. Or things we haven't fought. And like storylines we haven't even started. It's gonna be so much fun. So thank you everybody for hanging out today. You can head over to Discord if you want to see my stream schedule, like I said, that I have posted. I always post it there first. I also post it over on Twitter, but on Discord I do also I share a lot of things on there because I don't know, it's just a lot of fun to do that and share things with you guys. We shared a bunch of us shared stuff that we did over Halloween, including costumes and parties and pumpkin carving and stuff like that. And there's other stuff on there as well. So go check that out if you would like. I also run polls on there. Fable was actually voted on in Discord as my first game to start after Spooktober. So that's why we're playing it. It was the one that you guys voted on. And I also do a lot of like talking to other people on Twitter as well. And lastly, you can head over to YouTube for VODs, edited videos, highlights, and easy access like playlists of full playthroughs that I've done of a bunch of different games, because I've already done a lot of playthroughs on these channels. Do it. All right, and now we are going to raid out. We're gonna raid out to my mod and friend Coco, who is playing. He played Don't Scream earlier, and unsurprisingly for him, he's done with it, of course. I don't know how long it took him because obviously I was streaming, but he's playing Star Wars, a Star Wars game, which actually looks really cool. He loves Star Wars, so I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of fun watching him play the game. I'll be hanging out over there. But of course I'm gonna stream first, but I'll be hanging out over there. You guys, please use the ! raid message if you follow. And if you are subscribed, use the ! raid sub message. And I would really appreciate it if you would go over and support my friend Coco. And I will see you guys on Sunday for more Phasmo. Thank you, Zell, for being here. Thank you, King of Guam. Thank you, Assassin, and everybody else, of course. Everybody that was lurking. I always appreciate you guys. I really do. And I will see you guys, like I said, on Sunday. Sunday night. Alright. Yep. That's all. I'll see you guys over on Coco's channel. Sunday.
I'll let my song play first. Oh shit. Welcome in, Raiders. Sorry, I was in the middle of battle. Let me wait for my song to play out. Welcome in, Raiders. Hold on. I'm concentrating right now. Okay, there you go. Okay, so welcome in, Raiders. Thank you, Ellie, so much for the raid. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know me, but you guys can call me Coco.